The board exam you have successfully cleared are not merely a test of your academic knowledge, but a reflection of your resilience, perseverance, and ability to overcome the challenges. You have proven that with dedication and hard work, anything is achievable. However, as you embark on the next phase of your academic or professional pursuits, I urge you to remember that success is not just about achievement of high grades or marks, but about making a positive impact on the world around you. As you step into the wider world, equipped with knowledge and skill, remember the importance of your society, integrity, empathy, and compassion. Strive not only to excel in your chosen field, but also to be responsible citizen who contribute positively to society. Embrace every opportunity to learn, grow, and to evolve as individuals. And never shy away from the challenges, for their stepping stone to your success. From 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 School, 𝗵𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗧, a total 124 students have appeared this year's CBSE Class 10th board exam. And with our surprise, all have successfully passed the exam. Moreover, 16 students have got more than 90% marks, and 37 students got 81 to 89% marks. It's a record in itself. And one thing I have to mention, a student who has created the history in the area of 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 School, she has scored 98.4%. Merely for 1 mark she has not secured the state topper. So I want to congratulate you once again. Then for 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 School, Chanura, this time a total of 148 students have appeared COSEM's higher secondary exam from science stream, and 30 students have appeared for arts stream. And all the 178 students have successfully achieved first division. It's a great honor for us. It is not the end. 4 students this year have got more than 90%, and 53 students have got 80 to 89%. It's a big achievement for us. Today, as we felicitate you for your accomplishment, remember to express gratitude to all those who have supported you along with your journey, your parents, your teachers, and you yourself done the good thing. Because it is the you who have made it happen. So once again, heartily congratulations to one and all of my student community. In conclusion, I want to remind you that the world is full of possibility waiting to be explored. Believe in yourself, stay true to your values, and never lose sight of your dreams. And finally, I want to announce one thing, that admission procedure for class 11 and college are open in 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 School, 𝗵𝗏𝗧𝗏 and Khungman, and 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 College. Along with that, all the schemes, scholarships and free ship schemes are still now open. So I need your timely effort to get this opportunity this time, because you have achieved this. And last but not the least, I want to announce another thing, that this time, state topper of Manipur of CBSE, who has secured 98.6% with a total aggregate of 493, has already admitted in UNACO School, Khongman. And another student who is the second topper and the top marks getter in UNACO School with 98.4% with mere 1 marks, she has also admitted in UNACO School, Maitram. So once again, a big round of applause for all of them. And finally, I want to say, the door of UNACO is wide open for you. Give us the chance to grow your career, and as we are the excellent in education, so by having academia, health and discipline policy, let us give a chance to grow the future of your children. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Sir. And in the meantime, I request everyone to please make sure to keep your mobile phones or any electronic device on silent mode or on switch off mode. Thoram asida lakpiriba mayam pumnamakna isa-isagi mobile phone sing adu silent mode natraga switch off mode ta thambinaba ningsingjari. Thank you. Now, I would like to request Sri N. Hemantakumar, Chief Editor,
UNACO School, Sanura, then Maitram, Anigi Apunba Haitare, Amana, Koshem Makada, Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Makada, Loba, class 12 ki exam Haidopagi, Madugi, Esiversing Haitare. Adagi dent, Maitramgi Oina, CBSE Gini, class 10 Amasung 12 ki, Haidopagi. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯛꯄ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯡꯕꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ MD ꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯟꯖꯔꯕꯗ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯝ ꯏꯔꯥꯕꯟꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒ ꯗꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯗ ꯐꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯥꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯗꯦꯟ DGM ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯍꯦꯗꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ UNACOꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯂꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯀꯣꯛ ꯊꯣꯡꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯀꯣꯛꯅꯣꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ UNACO School Sanuragi ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯜꯂꯝꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯃꯇꯪ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯄꯟꯖꯔꯝꯒꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯄꯟꯖꯒꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯋꯦ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯩꯈꯥ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯁꯦ 97.63 ꯌꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯃ angakpa haibaduniko ado ngarang kainogi kosem gi chairman adi ngasai exam gi system hongdorpanani na hai ado anyway yam nungai pass tawgi yam nungai ado singnaba mayam ama leitabadi nate ekoina ko pakha gi system da singnaba khara leibo ado akoina class 12 ka thaba 10 ka thaba sida ko 21% ka pass tawi 23% ka pass tawba yamada 33 ka pass tawsi yaman gre hayam matangdadi ngasagi mahiroi singse mana irambasi koigi oja singsina yaringi kakaga masi afaba satra orasu kaaga kakpu yamngi kaaga phangallaga maduda pass tawngi tawre tawdungi tu mange si leyebako hauski mirror sigi generation sigi kaino lakpasina mahiroi singse yaringi pass tawlu marksi pibe aba piu pass tawlu angang singsi loi mangani langwang loi tukhrani fail oiragadi kaidore chahi ma mange lairaba imungda class 12 ta fail oiba angang do kamai tawni mathangda 12 thani tharoi khangdre imungi makoigi arumba mayam jina nandraba ko check suba chapani khangde ama tawbani khangni tawrkanda laik tam tu itana adu tuk tadabagi damakta yargai pass tawlu haiba port amakhakse masi malem gi oiba system amada porakpana handakti yam pass tawre adubu angakpa mawongi pass kutaw amani masi aina aisu angakpa dam phongdoi haitam ai angakpa phokse ado science ki se kogi oja su yauri maming leraba oja stress su yauri ko sei da phami nungai taba ma hai taragadi science topper kamai to gebo 20 topper ne bako 1 2 3 se 20 bhok lok thokpada punna satra mahiroi se 78 na 20 sida munne yebako 20 da mari loba 21 da adu loba kano da 19 da suk loba kaina smai torga satra kayano har kanda 78 position lepe sida government school amta yaude nungai tiamna mahiroi hungbudra kan nipan khangatpada government ki school ki mahiroi amata yaude masi nungai ti ado kitang government na honaba ama tangai phadaba lei moisu maram mayam ma har kani ado moisu kan de dum hona jari ni ko ado honaba do kitanga ai hona haninge na ai sima thamjaki aduga atai mayam gi pandraga su khwaidagi yamna hoi position lobasi mayam khambiram gani new era na hoi thobal long gi se masi mahiroi taraga taruk ni moida position yauris ko adagi diden harvard si taramanga ni aduga comet su adu extra a su taramatoi lowi position se ko adu akhoi gi somna kanda sanura da amuk pusinjar kwanda yunako school sanura se yam nauna likatpa school amane school si atai ga moiga khukchat manate asidi laira basu tambaya ba inakam basu tambaya ba aduga kamai toba oja singdi afama ka thajalaga thawaina akoina ngang semgena thajan be school amo oibane bako adu handaksi position arts ta ama yawi then science ta ama yawi ai thagachai yam thagale masagi mairo sing thagachai aduga mama mapa oiba sing thagachai amasung moibu mi oina bu honabada oja singa logi bu thodang do aina madugi thagataba ngamde ai nungai ado akhoi di mahiroi leidana khotana pampu pusan baso khoi tongom deba ko ataw deba ado mai torga mo yam phajana performance pirei yam nungai akhoi adum peli haitai ado exam ki matang si lakanda aina atai kanu sut laksake yunako school seda maitram khongban maitram si ahanba ai thabo urmdo mali last 10 ko ai thajaroi mayam thaja mojikti o gano da khabar da salai bakta advertise tawbudat mu biram gani magi percentage yam gwangi 98.4% ne mana phangi si satra si ngarang si aina khalle akhoi gi mahiroi sibu akhoi sibu pass tawbu sang sibu kyam yam yaujano kamai tawjano na khoi thirganda ma sima ka torame aduga 98.4% si yam gwangi si atopa amana khongban gi se sisodum hayaram ge mana 96.8 phange my person yam wang lai phange aro state topper dagi percentage kitani handari se ko ma mark amani tang hakwa taragadi UNACO school na topper oi haya bani state ki ado laibak thi bani hai tare na tagana den mi na madaw sum ne lo su yai ko sumain tawi ahan ba tha bani akhoi yam na ken to bi yai asa yam ui tungi yam no ui aduga afaba school amani se akhoi khudam oina mayam do udlabani UNACO school da nasa sing mahi taman bada Manipur da mahi taman bada maui da school ne se sin khudam moina koi no men noi mayam do ulli ne aduna sida sunate mayam jeng biu ko akhoi gi kaino sida 96.8% chapa ama to mayam yawi then adagidi 90 gi mathak satra mayam ama phang mayam yawi ahan ba tha bada sigi stage si yore ne ba ko mathang da kamai tawni mathang si class 12 se class 12 ki si then hadak ki magwangi ko mathang jodum id state ki topor or kaner khalle afaba ngang yawi khoi khange ba ko aduna moi mayam se oja mayam sina yam kan honai oja sing si yam na line lobirunu yam wan hona bani adagi kadore school ki management school authority se masina moise minute kang makai adam senaraga yengaga oja sing na moi kamai like takpiri like tambi bagi mo matau kamai tawri malem dana kamai tawi Manipur da kwai dagi phaba oja kaya lei kamai tawgi gaisi akhoi masi nainara kanda oja si matam gi class fee dana khotna tor mathau hafna torga mairui sing si sem na bagi lambi yalini aduna mama mapa ba sing sina hoje ai tenjara bada tang tenjage bako class 10 pass to mayam class 12 to atopada sapagi kana balite UNACO school da tabiu ko somna kanda maitanda tamge su yai then adagidi khongolobra tamge su kasu kaide yai adagidi 12 pass to mayam sing se 12 pass to sing ji mayam yang biro handak si kanugi NEET ki exam thare ko NEET ki exam tha pasida class 12 ki exam si haiduk tingai da NEET ki exam na hale ado mark si phajana phangam da taragadi subject hom da moi si 45 mark la kanu oram ganen khale khan bada adu gido 55 la kanu adu yogdragadi moi si NEET pass or su yade ba ko aduna hojiti kamai tawre pakha exam haidu e akoi su kanu se NEET se phajana adum tambigrabani satra khara soidam ki medical line da sangnana bagi kudung saba ai lakane na khali ai soi khalakane na khali afam satra mayam yawe ko sida aduna satra mayam hai tamim mayam se angang mayam sing sigi apamba munne yengbiu mama mapa na purga satkanu mama mapa na angang sing se doctor oheningi engineer oheningi or na tagana adu oheningi ada oheningi IS oheningi na noi no humga sakanu mui apamba labi da sanalu culture to mamina culture sano ko adagidi sipai oining mamina sipai ujesano sigma makal gi labi oira ga su kamai tore UNACO school da leriba tamiba ngang sing sidi sipai masa ohin gano ko ohin na ba mi na salam kot pa yaba ohin na ba ko leipak sigi masak nai ba mi ohin na ba hona choda se bak mem ko ako su madugi wakhalon du pinana aba pir na honari ne ba ko simai leibo aduna medical line se akhoi Manipur gi oina yam ngawi medical se ko medical da ngaw da gini ngasi akhoi na putha hori je Manipur gi khunai na putha hori ba Manipur khunai na ngasi idai pak kan bangam dri se medical da ngaw ru dai ni ko mayam khbiu ko medical da ngaw biu Manipur lupkan nong lupkan ana medical doctor stagi hena saw ba le tadong khalle thaina matam le ram be ko akhoi gi ipu su bihari ko we ba ko kari gi no haraga bihari ko ri kai no ganda bihari masa singi matam du yam singba aduna bihari ko bo sine tawram sing aduna matam du daga khoi ek ngang ngong degi hek nang kai dogyo no hakanda ima ipa na kai jangke nang di doctor tam da doctor tamu siak tane ko aina doctor tam tar ga di aina se wangang si doctor ngang wangang phanggadra angang lising abagi mamangda or miya mamangda aina lepaga aina natraga phammaga TV discussion da ngang jingje ai doctor or madi ngang moy ko aduna siki posting je aduna mama mapa oi sing na masa sing je makaram ba line da pam gi se mun na yeng biyo bo magi kenu sik mai to gi yeng biyo ko aduna ngasagi doctor gi line da mayam yam pam bani na apam ba thungan bai si khu gi sui thau ni aduna akoidi class 9 dagi NEET ki class se adum matek hapaga adum chalabane ba 10 da hape 11 da hape 12 pekha tharam dai su fajana tawre ko hadak tagi amu kamai tawre noi mayam college karidna college ka bada UNACO college hangi ko mayam college hangi ko private college ni sing da so phama college lai private ki ko tampak tadi akhugi sidagi hena UNACO college tagi hena phaba college ma ai private su leite aduga government so ai leram do mande manipur government ki se moise kitang yengchen ba wale aduna sum tam tam sum luk thabagi ba mi ma tai ado miyam na di yam nungsi yam tam hanningi ko ado pota di like tambagi mai khongchat tadi yam wale sin nungai te ko asiju phajanu akhoju phana ba dum hona jage ba ko sima leba aduna UNACO college tam kanda noigi NEET se adum masi integrated course oina handak tagi hakane aduna noina handak sida NEET khalautre NEET pamjaba khalautre na khalaga noi wagano college sida ming chalo UNACO college da ming chalo adu kedore noigi damakta tokhaina hoi NEET se noi class sigi tongana ma tawne hakane si khudong saba ma noi da pi adu athaba khudingmak khanbadi nate ko IS taraga ma thoirak thawa mi anu khandaba dum yawi NEET se dum kullak thaba so dum yai kuthar tha tam thanim ga thaw ko adu moida sahi di sum mang ba yada bani na college di like tam da yadi aduna yaringe college se UNACO college da adum chambiu sel su kasam yam da bani then afaba oja mayam yaw bani maming lei bani government ki di larik yam na tammi khangde tamde khangde yam tawi akhoi di like tam da yadi ado mayam mama mapa obising se ano bula ko na telu khangbiram gani hoi Sunday bo class tawi ko mayam Sunday bo class taw bani kari gi no har ka da angang sing se mang taren akhoi khatla ka da taw bani do mama mapa di kaya cooperation pining di Sunday taw se kari gi no khangde ado khara piba dum sum me ne khali like ti kamai tawre yengsi akhoi da awa sai awa do ani du pusinjarage ba ko ani maksi ka pallabani na ai awa sem pusinjarke handaki se akhoi gi khwai tagi laibak thiba exam ma oi kamaina oi ge har kanda angang sing si larik thina takpi tambi ba se tawhidi akhoi gi dang khatami ko akhoi gi yam han tami singkhong singya da then adagi hojiki oriba system jina maram oiraga mahirui singse khul ngak pane hena lumna lawe aduda sikamai tore sina maram oirka da tha kaya no hojbo loide dana kam kada loido no si khangdri ko loibadi matam khardi sangini maram di karino harakanda lan loinab si khoi honadri ba lan loinab honadri lan ngamna ba param khoi porum ya le ba ko mai paoi da lan pham ba akhoi na ngasi soknari cookie sing na soknari mai paoi da lan ngakani ko tawri singe mai thai chu paoi cookie chu paoi hanari kana hanari moi masan hanari ko manipur da leiba masan hanari ni ko anga ngam kanari ni ko ado akhoi nongmagi madugi sekheng phangani ngase kedore manipur da entrepreneur amata lephangamoi ngasagi awaba mayam kamai ware lan thoe kedore lojing loya da leiba mayam mayum da leya da na sele natra muri dagi angang ani UNACO school khongmangi kainur thamme boarding da lei adu kedore lagi makha tam ngam kitem ngisnai tam kitebo ko singmo pot lei aduna angang mayam sidi laring chai tambigi de ko tapi kite UNACO school di maximum tambigi support sima number 1 number 2 ngasagi akhoi larik tambane na akhoi tamam dai sida ba ko ngasidi larik tam yadroi ninge ba aduga curfew thamjali tham gi ba curfew sina ba gyan ta de Imphal East thamme West kom thu e mai di ke dore mai tam mai ru sing du di ke dore West thai kamai to na paira lakadra mayum dage sine ko lenga ki adugumba sindok sindin se masida khoi se param je me man ta da ba Imphal East na kom thu e ko no se khoi school college se mai ru sing ka ba yani kom thu e aduga West na kom thok ti sine ko singba mayam ama adagi di lam dai nga ta du da curfew thamjale na maroma sumai tawdana leita ba phangdaba mawong amada angang khaina exam thaki aduna manipur da handak phangai ba marks yam wangi thagat ni moina tawriba moida leigiba tension mayam moida pigiba pressure mayam adugi martu da exam thadana yam naga mark phangai ba UNACO school naga mayam dagi makok thongna lai sing se yam thagani mamam pagi honaman oza singi honaman amasung mayroy gi honaman se mangoi nongma nakhoina ne ko leipak sigi asaw mi amam oiraga akhoi gumna fain lepaga na khorei bangang mayam singte masi sembagi thodang se nu sunong lorkeni admaina oiba ngambo oibiona ai haini aroiba ofam amtang thabjaram ge ko matam ji kitang mi sang edo waru ya diko ai kano tong jage ai gi school na phai hai ba nate ko wari mate amtang ai lijaram ge yam sang di liroi wari si afauba technical kanogi college ama khaki kanogi mai professional mayam jingje kanoda mapanda sanna bagi damakta wala mayam si kuntra ni phumuksi aeroplane manungda moji tongaga phammaga aeroplane ji paiba ngai leijani do aeroplane ji pairam dai sida crew member na lauthore bako ngasi oza mayam kai khumnajar ba oza mayam professor mayam sida lengchen bire tung bire ado mayam na tonga paido ba aeroplane se nakhoigi noina tapi tambiri ba oza mayam singdo college du ki oza mayam gano satra mayam haba mayroi mayam do na sagi bani na hai bako madai di arda phamba professor mayam to mathang mathang sum kumdar chen gre bako aeroplane du kumdar gre bako kumdar gre adagi di principal du kumdar di ada crew member ama sangjal laga hange oza mayam loi kumdar gre oza na kari kumdar di no hai bako mana hai aigi satra aigi mayroi singse aina moida thajaba thami ana aina tongdo aeroplane se moina sabo odi start hauroyen ado akoi UNACO school di madugi mark da akoi mayroi sing di unfair means amta tahundana ngasi position de phunba ngamine ko thajai mayam thajabiyo akoi na nakoi angang sing manghaloi ko aduna makha tan sathabiyo class 12 pass tawbu sing na college ming chanbiyo 11 pass tawbu sing honggono tambiyo makha tan tambiyo noi mayam singi nasana su sing den angang sembagi thodang se UNACO authority sin ko akhoi logjage dang si ofum sidang hajaraga mayam dagi kaino yathang nijari
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request our chairman, sir, Sri 𝗙𝗵𝗓𝗏𝗓𝗔𝗓 to please address today's gathering.
Hello, Thongero. Yeah. Good morning. Ngasigi yam hatu na sinba akogi program haiba tare. Akogi class 10 amadi class 12 UNACO school maitram amadi sanuragi pass toroba satra singbu akogi okpagi thoram felicitate to program asida lengbi reiba akogi satra sing adagi kai khuruje parents sing adagi oja sing marone school ki principal adagi akogi sanaleba ki editor adagi akogi oja mayam puno masakam oja sesu lai puno mangpu kai khunu sari taram uksari adu ayu mang dangang bira makoi principal amadi akogi sanaleba editor na tonga phum mayam thambirame adu ngasi di ayam ba nungai phum do kuno mini celebrate to kuno mini amadu akoi satra sing na icha sing na wan hona ba do mahi ja ba no mini ngasi di nungai wari ona ayam ba sarasi ngasi di aduna hadaki chai si akogi sanura school gi ihan han ba science ki thaba parikhani masidi da koi position at least angang yam thaba nate adu position ama yawbo ngame aduga arts ki onadi mamang sahi da su thai handak su thai mamang sahi da position ahum yawi handak na position ama yawi akoi mai pa kune na khali aduga UNACO school maitram gi na akoi si class 10 da handak sahi sida ani subani mamang sahi thagre adu akoi gi class 10 da phangi ba result si akoi entire UNACO school na 2016 dagi 15-16 tharak ko parikha da khwai dagi phajaba result se akoi UNACO school maitram na class 10 da phangi akoi gi satra si mana akoi gi maitram gi akoi na pass tari ba si ma akoi 98.4 satna ma si akoi gi school gi ona di mana topper oire adu huji phagbi akoi na phangba pauda mangon dagi henba satra ma akoi Ramkrishna mission dagi leina phangi akoi na phangba pauda mana 98.6 alaga mangon dagi mark ama hen bani mana 493 2 phangba amaduna 93 phangba bani ko mark amakhak mani henbani adumai tokduna akoi manipur gi oina akoi na hujik phagi phang paw dadi akoi class 10 dadi UNACO school maitramna akoi satri sina akoi first akoi second tare na akoi na khang paw da lei masi subject to correction adu loina na handak UNACO school bi maitramda 96 ki mathak satpa satra ahum mari manga yawi masi khwaidagi phajaba akoi gi akoi handak chagi academic report ni abudu ga khwaidagi phajaba UNACO lakpadagi SMA ni sigloina na akoi gi center se akoi akoi sisu ni stada tabani yamna maming lebe school ama da tab center ni akoi satra sing adui mati buksen chengna honaba satra ni haje yak thamjage adulana na masigi mai pakpagi puramaki credit se maru oina ai akoi satra sing da piningi nakoina kan honaba tuna ngasi nakoi si phangmani adulana na nakoi gi parents sing makoi gi support jawduna si phangbe aroi amadi school gi management amadi oja sing punna honaba dagi si phangmani adu ahan ba credit te ai di satra sing da piningi madi ojana fana honarasu imai par phanam hairasu satra aina pagadaba aina padragadi kadonungda mark phangba yaroi aduna credit si aidi satra sing da piningi adu loinana masi class 10 amadi 12 ta mark wangna phangba pass to busina aroi badi nate tungda hona gadaba yam leiri adu loinana khoi maitram gi onasu khoi 100% loi pass tawkre aduga khoi Chanura school gi onasu whole 100% loi pass tawkre adu Chanura school gi loina bang above 60% loina pass tawkre si yam chawbi achievement ni ado khoi mamang da pre board exam na hum rek tawi khoi board ke exam ji thadringai da maduda subject khar sonba angang yawi satra khar yawi no ju khangani madu oja sing sai dana hona da yaru si pa da yaru special class tawdana special coaching tawdana oja kaina monitoring tawbudugi adugi mahai na ngasi di satra yam ji loina pass tawri ne amdi no ihan hamai ga thabada loi lan banate ba satra khradi subject khrada dum khara sonba yawi ado khona pre board exam ani rak ahum lak tawbudagi asoi myam fuka khibadai ngasi di loina pass tawkre this is one of the happiest moments akoi khwaidi nungai banum inni satra mayam gi ju akoi school gi ju asi hang mayam da sima thamjage adu ngangai akoina oja singna saigiba ngangiba school authority na ngangiba uniform set thai phaba class school lak tabagi chaiba larik pa parikha mark wam phangdoi ngangu mayam do adu ngangiba mayam do ngasi di sauranu ko ha akoi si khara chaibani khara ngangbani ko UNACO school se oja sing ju oja sing ngangning da ngangmadi akoina ngangu haini akoina ngangu chaiona chhatra sing je afami bo hoina bada adu yauda ba yade nakoina apam loi to honbe yade ba nakoina pamadi mobile thana ba koi bachapa dune ba ko adu yadabagi ne ba akoina noida ngangi mem je magwang phangna ba parikha fail hoidana ba mai pakna ba first division pass tawna ba ne noida ngangi je aduna oja me amna ngangi ba chai me am do kautho ngasi di kaino da nakoi si afami oina ba madu tangai phadana ngang da ba yada ba ne ba ko no he pass out sakradi ngang aroi ba ko hayeng thengna bada no ning sanga kani khoi oja na ngang gi ba chai gi me am do aduna khoi si si yorok pa ne na aduna masi nungai taba mayam khoi gi editor na thabirame handaki chahi da me gi 3 dagi mamang gi chahi dai chahi em chupna akhoi manipur da pam da ba thodo mayam thokpo sida khoi leita da ba situation jina irang jina maram moidana class to ba ya gi da ba khudak da suti thajal lakwa curfew to salakwa class to raga tangkhai jalakwa da pung 12 12 da curfew law salakwa aduna suti ji khudak tha dokpa adu mayam ma thena gre lairik tongning to ba ya gi da ba tangai phada suti hemandana sunday da class to ba yaw khre kem to ro to ba yaw khre matu noi loi khang aduni adu mamang gi chahi ji khwai dagi khoi da charak charing na ba khoi society puna ba manipur puna ma kina khoi gatana te puna ma majina satra sing jo chau theng phangi theng phanga ga su khoi khona da ba ya te satra gi career mang ba ya te sahi mang ba ya te matam mang ba ya te na akhoi ju am kan khona raga khoi school gi staff sing oja sing khoi khona gi satra lak ra ga jo khoi di school ka da ba ya te kaino na khoi da home sami pirai bani khoi oja me home visit chalali bani aduga handamukti ngamuga khenai covid matam dadi khoi online da tawraga like takpe class to be handaki irang dudi school ju suti internet su down to bani na online class su ya de pau phone ba yang wai aduna mara moidra khoi oja sing da khoi ansar si khoi na like da tak da khoi class ki note me am ji tawthoga note se khoi na se sem to ga zero ka pa ga satri mi na thin ba yen ba yaw re ne adu kaino na khoi da academic study da pura mang na ta ju khara gak to ra ju support to na ba pura lep to na ba na khoi no to hun bane adu lo na madu da gi mo khoi parikha ga to ra ibne adu kari gi no da khoi na pathan ba ya de satra mai kere chahi ma like tang ga do da tham khai ma tha ma na na tra tha ni mang gi ba je yam chaw ho bu ni fukat pa nga moy ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯅꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯖꯦꯔꯣꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯊꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯄꯩꯈꯥ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇꯣ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯦꯟꯇꯦꯖ ꯌꯧꯅꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯋꯥꯡꯅ ꯐꯪꯅꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯈꯔꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯆꯥꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯛ ꯔꯤꯖꯜꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯃꯦꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯌꯁ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯣꯝ ꯗ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯆꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯚꯤꯖꯤꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯈꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ PTI ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟ ꯇꯤꯆꯔ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯅꯤꯔꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯌꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 90 ꯑꯕꯞꯇ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯌꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦꯀꯣ ꯆꯤꯌꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯟꯒꯠꯂꯒ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯝꯃꯤꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ 90 ꯍꯦꯟꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯆꯤꯌꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯀꯧꯔꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯄꯥ ꯀꯩ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯨ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯀꯩ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔ ꯑꯩꯒꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯎꯅꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯇꯧꯈꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯅꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯄꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯁꯦꯝꯍꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯅꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯂꯤꯄꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯑꯣꯅ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯦꯠꯇ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔ ꯇꯧ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯂꯛꯎ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯗꯦ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯆꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯗꯨꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯈꯔ ꯆꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯀꯣ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯅꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯑꯣꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯦꯆꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯁꯤꯗ 90 ꯑꯕꯞ ꯐꯪꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯂꯔ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯗꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 90 ꯑꯕꯞ ꯐꯪꯉ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯆꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟꯅꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ 10 ꯑꯃꯗꯤ 12 ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇ ꯇꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯇꯝꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯆꯠꯀꯦ ꯇꯝꯈꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯇꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯨ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯣꯏꯗ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ 5-6 ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯃꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯅꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯪ ꯇꯝꯃꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯅꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯕ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯅꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯈꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯛꯇ ꯏꯝꯐꯦꯁꯤꯁ ꯄꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯌꯣꯠꯁꯕꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯡ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯍꯩꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯨ ꯐꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯊꯛꯁꯤ ꯈꯥꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯐꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯐꯔꯛꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯐꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯐꯔꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯩꯔꯁꯨ ꯊꯛꯁꯤ ꯈꯥꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯈꯛ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯡꯅ ꯐꯪꯈꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯦꯔꯤꯌꯔꯗꯣ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇ ꯆꯟꯅꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯛꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯗ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯗ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯎꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯗ ꯀꯥꯎꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯕ ꯅꯪ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯨ ꯐꯔꯕ ꯅꯁꯥꯁꯨ ꯐꯔꯕ ꯊꯛꯁꯤ ꯈꯥꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯆꯠꯅꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯨꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯅꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯅꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯅꯥꯏ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯃꯛ ꯐꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯁꯧꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯅ ꯏꯊꯧꯗ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯗꯦꯛꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯊꯛꯁꯤ ꯈꯥꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯆꯠꯅ ꯄꯊꯥꯞ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅ ꯄꯊꯥꯞ ꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅ ꯄꯊꯥꯞ ꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯅꯤꯌꯣꯝꯁꯦ ꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯆꯠꯄꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯝꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯒꯅꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯅꯤ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯕꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯦꯂꯤꯁꯤꯇꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯆꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯦꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯦꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯄꯥ ꯆꯤꯊꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯆꯤꯟꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯤ khoi office ki chuti nate holiday natraga jo khoi lepsal bani madi holiday du ngai ba Sunday ngai ba da angang khara di cha khara madi ma pan chak khani madu khoi satra si uno phang do khoi nungai ti na chuti natra jo khoi je dum tawra bani khoi ngasi ji program che khoi school gin class 9 10 de khoi chuti thara bani 9 10 11 12 se madi oja sing ji satra ji uno phang na ba loi boy aduna mapan chakhi bo ju chatringi dong felicitate to hoge chakhang mai khang akhoi gi kaina gi aroi bo nong tang un hong na baina akhoi program je sin bani adu yam nungai je chuti na tabanu mi ju parent me amna tawa yaung lakpi ba je isa gi damakta adu parent thawa yaug dra ga angang ju pharoi ko adu parent na thawa yaug bo sin ju khange akhoi at least akhoi isa sing ja phomi ogani tung da suana ngasi thawa yaug ru suana tung da su hojik class 10 nam 12 pass to aroi bo nate makatan hona ga dab lai adu su support to biu adu ngasi sin ba sita yam thuna sin bagi awar pa si tho mayam lai ram ngani kitang phaja wat pa adu puna makti madu nungai phong do bui celebrate to bun madu kok thong winner si adu ga ngasi akhoi satra sing na nu takpi tambirak pa chahi yam takpi ro oja sing sing ngasi di thengnare akhoi school da makata na tambu su yawgani tamdabu su yawgani panchak su yawgani adu oja sing ga ju thaina awa nungai amadi oja sing ngang hiba chai hiba phu hiba warak hiba mayam do madu puna madu loi kok thong raga nungai phong do bagi mikup ni haiba che adu gi damakta ngasi program si phangthok pani haiba che ai mi mayam thamjage masing loina na program si tension lage ai gi de sida loi chalage adu mayam ji ko felicitate to bagi chhatra mayam program lai bani na thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now it is time to felicitate the achievers of Class 12 Higher Secondary Examination conducted by the Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur. We will first felicitate the students of arts stream. Students are requested to make entry from the right side of the stage and exit towards the left. Maraktatna parents singi mapanda thoram masi loiba pawudang laibinaba nolukna hangatchari. To do the honor of felicitating the students of art stream, I would like to request Sir Siamchan, DGM UNACO School. First we start with the students who secure 60% to 69%. The first student is Priyanka Takhelambam, followed by Mutum Adi Singh. Please be on the stage. Priyanka Takhelambam, Mutum Adi Singh. And now we have students securing 70% to 79%. Loitom Berorika Devi, Potsongbam Brizit, Scientist Tauram, Ailes Maisnam, Narem Joy Kumar Singh, and Mangang Konsam Murin. These are the students who secure 70 to 79%. Please be on the stage, students. A round of applause for the student achievers here. Angang sing sibu punging thogat piboy na mayam dagi ahobo ko ba amanizari. After this, we have students who achieve 80 to 89%. First, we have Thongam Robinson Singh, Laifapam Langlen Devi, Yenkom Alice, Sepune Daniel, Latika Ketrimayum, Victoria Haubam, Athokpam Tanuja Devi, Sonalika Asem, Susmika Akoizam, Hentoi Kwenazam, and Okram Thaza. These are the students who secure 80 to 89%. They are indeed proud achievers of UNACO School Chanura. following, we would like to call upon the stage the students of science stream, the achievers who have achieved 60 to 69%. I would like to call upon on the stage Alexander Naroibam, Hobson Abuzam, 𝗙𝗘𝗥𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗂, Oinam Benjamin, 𝗨𝗡𝗥𝗧𝗏, and 𝗵𝗏𝗏𝗏. I would like to call on the stage Alexander Naroibam, Hobson Abuzam, 𝗙𝗘𝗥𝗧𝗏, Oinam Benjamin, 𝗨𝗡𝗥𝗏, and 𝗵𝗏𝗏𝗏. These are the students who have achieved 60 to 69%. A round of applause for the students achievers. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Ma'am Gitarani, Principal UNACO School, Khongman, to felicitate the students achievers securing 70 to 79% in the science stream. First, we have Likmabam Bebika Chanu, next Susma Sapam, Thangjam Tanya Devi, Yumnam Payal Devi, please be on the stage. Maibam Tanuja Devi, Lemapokpom Julia Devi, Wahengbam Asapiari Devi, Malangwanba Hong Sangbam, Oinam Rahul Sen, Risikanta Wahengbam. I repeat, Likmabam Bebeka Chanu, Susma Sapam, Thangjam Tanya Devi, Yumnam Payal Devi, Maibam Tanuja, Lemapokpom Julia Devi, Wahengbam Asapiari Devi, Malangwanba Hong Sangbam, Oinam Rahul Sen Meitei, Risikanta Wahengbam, Lorembam Rohit Singh, Konthaljam Losing, Mutum Lanjenbi Chanu, Zinendra Irengbam, Kamai Pauzagai Kabui, Chirainung Asem, Laishram Sylvia Devi, Laishram Kaku, and Hansing Oinam. Ahubo kubagna angang singsibu pungning thogapiu. After Hansing Oinam, we have Vidyasagar Chongtham, Demson Raskumar, Krishnam Ken Ningthoza, Naurem Rogalson, Janambam Rania Devi, Srinivas Moirangtem. Waikom Toishana Chanu, Namarakpam Indravir Singh, Oinam Lamnganbi Devi, Devshan Khetrimayum, Koizam Vikas Singh, Luhen Balongjam, Taiwan Pukrambam, Lisham Hemeshwari Devi, Hoiram Rahul Singh, Ngangom Asharani Devi, Namoizam Abinash Singh, Mayangbam Serena Devi, Mongzam Shamikanta Singh, and Athokpam Ichantombi. These are the students securing 70 to 79%. Most of them secure letter marks in more than one subject. A round of applause, a very big round of applause for the students achievers. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to request Sir 𝗙𝗚𝗏 Sundardas, Principal UNACO School, Maitram, to do the honor of felicitating students securing 70 to 79%. Now we have 𝗙𝗏𝗖𝗖𝗘𝗦𝗦𝗙𝗨 Elena Devi, 𝗙𝗏𝗪𝗓 Rani Devi, 𝗙𝗏𝗪𝗓 Olivia Laurembam, 𝗵𝗁𝗀𝗧𝗑𝗦𝗧 𝗙𝗧𝗏 Priyanka Devi, 𝗂𝗵𝗓𝗛 Singh, Rajkumar Borsana Singh, 𝗫𝗏𝗪 Singh, 𝗂𝗵𝗪𝗛 Singh, 𝗬𝗏𝗏 Boris, 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏 𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗏𝗏𝗪𝗏 and 𝗵𝗏𝗪𝗏 Maria Devi. Please be on the stage, students. 𝗙𝗏𝗪𝗓 Elena Devi, 𝗙𝗏𝗪𝗓 Rani Devi, 𝗙𝗏𝗪𝗓 Olivia Laurembam, 𝗵𝗁𝗀𝗧𝗑𝗦𝗧 𝗙𝗧𝗏 Priyanka Devi, 𝗂𝗵𝗓𝗛 Singh, Rajkumar Borsana Singh, 𝗫𝗏𝗪𝗏 Singh, 𝗂𝗵𝗪𝗛 Singh, 𝗬𝗏𝗏 Boris Singh, 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏 𝗀𝗏𝗪𝗏 𝗏𝗏𝗪𝗏 and 𝗵𝗁𝗪𝗏 Maria Devi. Bishwanath Thokchom, Oinam Jayalakshmi Devi, Pukhrambam Julia Devi, Thaunawzam Dattasen, Ngatem Ronaldo Singh, Yendrembam Subhas Singh, 𝗙𝗏𝗪𝗓 Asina Devi, 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗙𝗏𝗪𝗏 Rebita Devi, 𝗵𝗏𝗪 Lalan Singh. Thokchom, Bishwanath Thokchom, Oinam Jayalakshmi Devi, Pukhrambam Julia Devi, Thaunawzam Dattasen, Ngatem Ronaldo Singh, Yendrembam Subhas Singh, 𝗙𝗏𝗪𝗏 Asina Devi, 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗙𝗏𝗏 Rebita Devi, and 𝗵𝗏𝗪 Lalan Singh. A round of applause for the students achievers. We have 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏 Singh. 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏 Singh, please be on the stage. Ma'am, ahouba khubang amata nizari. 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏 Singh, please be on the stage. These are the students achievers who achieve 70 to 79%. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request Sir Ningombam Hemantakumar Singh, Chief Editor, Sana Laibag, to felicitate the students securing 80 to 89%. First, we have Nongthomam Sanya Chanu. Next, Yumnam Yohanba, Irika Thangzam, Devita Kongkham, Jelina Chingakam, Bital Namram, Kaisam Kulajit Singh, Thausdam Ranjan Meite, Thongamba Yumnam, Konjengbam Surya, Renia Hanglem, Shanasam Abetoy Devi, Nirmala Konthausam, Rosirani Konthausam, Sumit Oinam, Maya Pevam, Leshamba Pukhrambam. Students achievers securing 80 to 89%. 𝗵𝗭𝗪 Devi, ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯖꯝ ꯊꯣꯏꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤꯆꯅꯨ, ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯈꯣꯡꯖꯝ Sada Devi, Songtham Salini Devi, Celia Khomdram, Thokchom Bolbia Devi, Jayalakshmi Ngangom, Pritina Khomdram, Thokchom Valentina Devi, Asamita Hemam, ꯍꯋꯥꯏꯕꯝ Nebidita Devi, Laishram Marja Singh. Mayam 80 to 89% chatpa angangsingni ahauba khubak amata kubiu. Meanwhile, I would like to call upon Boris Huidrom of Class 12 Arts to be on the stage. A very big round of applause for the students, achievers, everyone. Thank you, sir. Now it is time to felicitate the star of the day. First, third topper of UNACO School Chanura in the art stream. We have Thongam Robinson Singh securing 89.6% in the higher secondary examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur. He is the son of Thongam Suranjoy Singh and Thongam Benubala Devi of 𝗵𝗂𝗧𝗜𝗔𝗓𝗏. I would like to call upon Thongam Robinson Singh on the stage. A round of applause for Thongam Robinson Singh, who have secured 89.6% with letter marks in 5 subjects. Next, I would like to call upon 𝗙𝗪𝗟𝗓 Prem Devi, who have secured 9th position in the higher secondary examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education in the art stream. She is the daughter of 𝗙𝗪𝗟𝗓 Nanaubi Singh and 𝗙𝗪𝗟𝗓 Thoi Devi of 𝗪𝗵𝗪𝗀𝗑𝗧𝗏 Parents who stage mathakta lengkhat piraknaba nolokna hangatchari. Prem gi parents 𝗙𝗏𝗧𝗏 𝗫𝗏𝗡𝒭 amasung 𝗙𝗏𝗧𝗏 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 stage mathakta lengkhat piraknaba nolokna hangatchari. Prem secured a total of 459 marks out of 500 marks, and her percentage is 91.80%. She secured subject topper in psychology with total mark of 98. A round of applause for the proud moment of 𝗙𝗏𝗄 School. Now, it's time to felicitate the toppers in the science stream. Now, we have Jessica Fanjovum securing 90% in the science stream. Jessica is the daughter of Fanjovum 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗓𝗓 and 𝗙𝗨𝗓𝗓𝗔𝗏𝗄 of 𝗙𝗏𝗟𝗓𝗏 𝗙𝗪𝗏𝗪. Jessica, please be on the stage. Jessica secured a total of 90%. She got letter mark in all 6 subjects. The star of the day, the last star of the day, 𝗵𝗛𝗂𝗏𝗓𝗓, securing 19th position in the science stream in the higher secondary examination 2024. 𝗵𝗛𝗂𝗏𝗓𝗓 is the proud daughter of 𝗵𝗛 Sitolzit Singh and 𝗵𝗛 Budhimati Devi of Singzamai Sapam Lekai. Swati scored a total of 467 marks out of 500 and her percentage is 93.4%. Swati is the subject topper in chemistry for the whole state of Manipur, securing 98 marks. A round of applause for this proud moment, everyone. Thank you, sir, and the dice member.
Next, I would like to call Sri Syamchand, DGM, Admin Head, 𝗙𝗏𝗄 School, to present few words.
So good afternoon. 𝗙𝗏𝗄 Dice Election Beriva, Chairman Sri 𝗍𝗏𝗓𝗏 Singh, Amadi Chief Editor Sanaleva, Sri 𝗍𝗏𝗓𝗏 Kumar, and Sri 𝗍𝗏𝗏 Sundardas Principal. Amadi Nasigi Nuayava Thoromasida, Lembirliva, Nusizarava, Mai Palava Satra Singh, Amadi Parents Singh, Amukahana 𝗙𝗏𝗄 School, Maikaidegi, Noluna Taramna Oxeri, Sigi Yamatiana Ngaranga Pagi Nundangi Pung. Tere makai side the Sinjaba Pora program. The parents in Kudonza, Mayam Lare, 𝗙𝗏𝗄 Chairman to Havigre. The Sigi program see the Soyam Mayam Yorbasu Mayam Waro Birwe. Aduga Nasi Aquina, Maruina Sinjeri, Angang Singsi Aquina, Nasidu Unarisina School Sida Makata, Unadabasuyawani, Unabasuyawani, Aduga, the Hugi Nusizerbo Ozasing. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯆꯨꯞꯄ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯅꯨꯔꯥꯒꯤ ꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯆ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯗ ꯊꯥ 3-4ꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯀꯦꯝꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯔꯤꯖꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯄꯤ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯇꯤꯁꯐꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯁ ꯑ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯦꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯦꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯕꯠ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ 12ꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ 10ꯅ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯅꯥꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯏꯗꯤꯇꯔꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯕ school sida hayang any kaiguma darka laiba matam da su akhoi gi satra jing gi damak tadi hoi dum thong launa hangi any further mass study tawjage hariga su or na traga kaigumba mapan da kaida hoina ngamba mateng lariga su hoi adum su soidana pangjage aduga horen hoi gi session ji loisalakpada hoi gi lengbirak liba parents sing amadi hoi gi maruina satra sing hoi gi leijari ba oza singa ngahak adum icham chamba hoi na sinjari ba refreshment si sum chamina raga sum haidare kainaba amasung ahobo oibagi sigi khudong sabam su lobinaba ayakna haijari masi harga ai matang sida loisinjage. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I'd like to have the honor to call upon the students of UNACO School Maitram who secure up to 69%. First, I would like to call Hanim Laishram, Justin Soivam, Wairok Mittal Samuel, Vidyabhushan Maitei, Konsam Nganba Maitei. To do the honor, I would like to request Sir 𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗓 to facilitate the students, those who secure 69. Once again, I would like to welcome Hanil Laishram, Justin Soivam, Samuel, Maivam Vidyabhushan, Konsam Nganba Maitei to be on the stage. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request Ma'am Kitarani to do the honor of facilitating the students who score 70 to 80%. First, I would like to call request Sir 𝗵𝗶𝗏 Sundardas to do the honor for facilitating the students who score 72 to 80%. First, I would like to call Apu Waikhom, Salainganba Chingtham, Thongamba, Khuraizam Yuzina Devi, Nongmaitem Alice Devi, Diptika Bharatiya, Lakmanisana Nongmairakpam, Angelina Maibam, Chumpumai Manganglei, Angelina Kumanthim, Treaty Moirangthim. Angangsinggi pungning thogatpa oina khubak ahobam ta nizari. These are the students who score 70 to 80%. Angangsinggi pungning thogatpa oina ahoba khubak amta nizari. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request Sir 𝗙𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗧𝗏 to do the honor to facilitate the students who score 81 to 89%. First, I would like to call Asis Kaisam, Songtham Derina Devi, Ase Manilya, Nelson Khangembam, Lucky Mahindra Sarma Samulai Lakpam, Ujjwal Pradhan, Sagolsim Ras Lakshmi Devi, Ningthombam Milvani, Pukrambam Daina Devi, Joyet Saha, Dolly Ningombam, Chetan Kumar Khomdram, Sorokhaibam Asutosh Singh, Thaunauzam Lasemi Devi, Tilak Ras Thaunauzam, Nichels Ningthauzam. Kanagumba student yaubirakta parents ang lakpiba oiragasu stage sakta kakatpinaba ningsingjari. I would like to call upon Satyajit to be on the stage. Thank you, sir. Next, I'd like to request Sir MD to do the honor to facilitate the star performers of 𝗂𝗏𝗄 School Matron. Once again, I'd like to request our Sir Chairman, 𝗂𝗏𝗄 School Matron, to do the honor to facilitate the star toppers, star achievers of 𝗂𝗏𝗄 School Matron. First, I would like to call upon 𝗙𝗓𝗓 Hausam, daughter of 𝗏𝗏𝗔𝗧𝗏𝗔𝗏𝗂 Singh, scoring 90%, to be on the stage. Next, I would like to call Angelica Sinam, daughter of Sinam Somen Singh, scoring 90.2%, to facilitate with Lengyan along with cash reward. Next, I would like to call upon Jewel 𝗨𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗡, daughter of 𝗨𝗏𝗡𝗏 Maheshwar Singh, scoring 90.8%, to facilitate with Lengyan and case awards of ₹5,000. Next, I would like to call upon Bhavish Hawam, son of Hawam Randir Singh, scoring 91%, to be on the stage to receive Lengyan and Keys Awards of rupees 5,000. Next, I would like to call upon 𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗂𝒑𝗏, daughter of 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗙𝗏𝗂𝒏, scoring 92% to receive Lengyan and Keys Awards of rupees 5,000. Next, I would like to call upon Silky Huidrom, daughter of Huidrom Ngamba Singh, scoring 92.6% to receive the Lengyan and Keys Awards of rupees 5,000. Next, I would like to call upon Selina Thokchom, daughter of Thoksom Kisorchan Singh, scoring 93.2% to be on the stage to receive the Lengyan and the Keys Awards of rupees 5,000. Mayam ahoba kubag amatang nizari. Next, I would like to call upon 𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗏𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏, son of 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Singh, scoring 94.2% to receive Lengyan and Keys Awards of rupees 5,000. Next, I would like to call upon 𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, daughter of Ellen Maivam, scoring 94.4% to be on the stage to receive the Lengyan and the Keys Awards of rupees 5,000. Next, I would like to call upon Sagainganpa Moirangthiem, son of Moirangthiem Shyamsundar Singh, scoring 94.8% to be on the stage to receive the Keys Awards of rupees 5,000 along with Lengyan. Next, I would like to call upon Sinorita Siram, daughter of Siram Ladchan Singh, scoring 96.2% to be on the stage to receive Lengyan and the Keys Awards of rupees 5,000. Next, I would like to call upon Dinah Thokchom, daughter of Thokchom Prem Kumar Singh, scoring 96.4% to receive the Keys Awards and Lengyan. Next, I would like to call upon Laisangthem Hansini Devi, daughter of Laisangthem Ozendra Singh, scoring 92.6% to be on the stage to receive the Lengyan and Keys Awards. Angang masa lakpidragasu, parents na stage sakta kakatpiduna, Keys Award amadi Lengyan sibu receive tawinaba ningsingzari. Now we have the star performers of our UNACO school matron. I would like to call Tani Jean, daughter of 𝗙𝗏𝗂𝗧𝗏 Jean, scoring 96.6% to receive Lengyan, Vuki, Memento and the Case Awards of ₹5,000. Once again, I request Tani Jean, daughter of 𝗙𝗏𝗂𝗧𝗏 Jean, to be on the stage. Kubak ahauba amata nizari. Next, I would like to welcome Lamjingbi Laishram, daughter of Laishram Syamananda Singh, securing 96.8% to receive Lengyan, Buki, Memento and the Case Awards of ₹5,000. She secured the second position of USM with 96.8%. Last but not the least, now we have the first position of UNACO school matron, 𝗙𝗵𝗖𝗖𝗘𝗦𝗍𝗍 Devi. Now we have the first position of UNACO school matron, 𝗙𝗵𝗖𝗖𝗘𝗦𝗍𝗍 Devi, daughter of 𝗙𝗵𝗖𝗍𝗍 Singh, securing 98.4% to Lengyan, to present with Lengyan, Vuki, Memento and the Case Award of ₹5,000. Mayam ahauba kubak amata nizari. 𝗙𝗵𝗖𝗖𝗘𝗦𝗍𝗍, she scored the first positions of UNACO school matron for the session 2023-24. Thank you, sir. Now I'd like to welcome Now I'd like to welcome 𝗵𝗁𝗀𝗧𝗏 to give the vote of thanks of today's program. I request 𝗵𝗁𝗀𝗧𝗏 to be on the stage.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. On behalf of UNACO School, Chanura and Maitram, I am standing here to propose the vote of thanks. A very special thanks to all our members that are present here. First, my thanks goes to Sir Shamchan, my first thanks goes to Sir Shamchan, then all to the member present here, and a very special thanks to our Managing Director, Sir 𝗍𝗏𝗧𝗏 Singh, for his gracious presence at this felicitation ceremony. And thanks to all the members that are present here, especially to all my beloved students. With your hard work and dedication, you have proved it all. And to all the parents and the teachers who have made this program a very successful one. So once again, thank you to everyone who made this program a very successful felicitation program. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we have come to the end of the facilitation ceremony. Tinbiriba mayambu chillaba matam kaithokpiduna lengbirakpaidamakta thagatpa phongdokchari. Now program loisalakpaga loina oza mayamga loina tinbiriba mayam pumnamakka light refreshment amta chaminaraga loisannaba haizari. After the refreshment, I request parents.
And I would also like to request 𝗙𝗵𝗂𝗏𝗂𝗔𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗂, Principal, 𝗙𝗏𝗂 Residential School, to please come upon the desk and take the chair. And I would also like to request Mrs. 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗖𝗓𝗠, Principal in charge, 𝗙𝗏𝗂 School, 𝗙𝗏𝗧𝗏, to please come upon the desk and take the chair. After our dignitaries has taken the chair, now I'd like to request 𝗙𝗏𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗓𝗠, AGM 𝗙𝗏𝗂 School, to felicitate our base member. I would like to request Mr. 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗓𝗠, AGM of 𝗙𝗏𝗂 School, to please come upon the dais and felicitate our dais member. In between, I like to request all the graduates, our dear students, and parents to please keep all your mobile phones in silent mode. And felicitating our children with a bouquet in their hand. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you, sir, for doing the honor. After this, I would like to call upon on stage Mrs. Geeta Rani, Principal 𝗙𝗏𝗂 School, Komo, to please come upon the stage and give the welcome and keynote address.
A very good afternoon to all our respected dais members. Shri N. 𝗙𝗏𝗂𝗏𝗧𝗏, Chairman 𝗙𝗏𝗂 School, Shri N. 𝗙𝗵𝗂𝗏𝗂𝗏𝗧𝗏, DGM, Shri N. 𝗙𝗵𝗪𝗧𝗂𝗑𝗠𝗖𝗓, Chief Editor 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗏, Shri P. 𝗠𝗠𝗓𝗡, Principal UNACO Residential School Chanu, and Mrs. K. 𝗙𝗵𝗪𝗧𝗂𝗑𝗠𝗢, Principal in Charge UNACO School Chanura, that all the special invitees, our esteemed and outstanding students and parents. So today marks a significant milestone in the journey of our school as we gather to celebrate the outstanding achievement of our class 10 and in class 12 students in AISSE and AISSCE respectively. So it gives me immense pleasure and pride to stand before you in the felicitation program of our bright young minds who have excelled in their academic pursuit and have made us all proud. So, in front of you all, let me present a brief summary of our students' achievement. So, in class 10, 220 students appeared in AISSE. So, out of 220 students, 20 students have secured 90% and above. Then 71 students have secured 80 to 89.9% and 67 students have secured 70 to 79.9. Same way, around more than 100 students, they have secured or they lie in the range of 60 to 69.9%. So in the same way, for class 12, 226 students appeared in AISSCE, and out of 226 students, 5 students secured 90% and above. Then 39 students, they were in the range of 80 to 89.9. Then more than 117 students in the range of 70 to 79.9. And around 65 students in the range of 60 to 69.9%. So this was the brief summary of our students' achievement. So here, a big round of applause for all our outstanding students, all of you. So dear students, your dedication, hard work and resilience have culminated in this remarkable achievement. So I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the dedicated faculty members whose support, guidance, mentorship and unwavering support have been instrumental in shaping the academic and personal growth of our students. So to all the class 10 past students present here, we look forward to welcoming you to our senior secondary block. So welcome you all. And also I would like to welcome 𝗙𝗟𝗓𝗖𝗓𝗏, who is the state topper, securing 98.6%. So he has been admitted to UNACO School Common. So a warm welcome to 𝗙𝗟𝗓𝗖𝗓𝗏 in our school community. Then, as to our class 12 past students, as you embark on the next phase of your academic journey, so I urge to consider the opportunities that awaits you here at UNACO College. So with a legacy of academic excellence, state-of-the-art facilities and a vibrant campus community, our college provides the perfect environment for you to continue your pursuit of knowledge and personal growth. So you will find a dedicated team of faculty members who are not expert in their fields, but they are also passionate mentors committed to nurturing your talents and helping you achieve your full potential. So whether you aspire to pursue a career in science or humanities, I encourage you to explore all that our college has to offer. We are committed to providing you with the resources, support and guidance you need to achieve your goals and aspirations. So doors of our college are always open to welcome you with open arms. So join us as we continue to inspire, innovate and shape the leaders of tomorrow. So taking this opportunity, I'd like to inform, like just after this program, there will be a spot admission. Your spot admission is open with all the scholarship and free ship. So for spot admission, here in senior secondary block, in room number 8 and 7, the college admission process will go on. And in room number 5 and 6, class 11 admission will go on. So dear students, after the program gets over, kindly meet your teachers. Your teachers are there to welcome you with open arms. So once again, I congratulate all our achievers. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you very much, ma'am. After this, I'd like to request the Vice Member, Sri 𝗵𝗂𝗧𝗜𝗔𝗓𝗓, Chief Innovator, to please share some words. I'd like to request the Vice Member here, Sri 𝗵𝗂𝗧𝗜𝗓𝗓, Chief Innovator, to please share some words.
CBSE na loba class 10 amasung 12 ki exam da top up khawasing koi okba harna harawa tungokba oina makoida felicitate tobugi thoromsida mayatangda election diriba dinako study MD ngom ya ba kadere wo biati then dinako school gi yangen saru ina popiriba aduga james wo biriba kogi shamsa aregi dinako school sanu gi principal ina hadate thok ba ko ba tare anadi ngunda tete myan sibeleba mairoi mayam singsi maga luneram bani sojumna akoi gi anogo vision namagi makada sanunda leiriba jasosandra ahanada kokmona kurumja ngasigi aina sai ahama thamjai duni mairoi singi numini mairoi ka ba karba mairoi no hakanda class 10 amasung 12 ki koi larik thaba haitare magyam wan ba mairoi singi numini nakoi gi Konaman, nakoila konahiba, aduga nakoila michat korba asigi dabakta nakoilu ayana ahan maktada awan makthak ilai dabagalu na thagat modokse. Hausiki aikuigi Yunako school gi apabon bahirisi ohinanaba then toppers ohinanaba konabada mama mapa obisingna lobiki nakoda amasu wasa singna adagi school authorities singa loki bathoda kuna maksu aina chitin daraga kokmona ikai tanda uche sigi parkhasi andakti life khaba haga dati waiga si hajukuga kan kanadana ko corona ko question na loba council of higher secondary education manipur na loba class 12 exam su hagi exam si hadakti yang wana pass tawi ko manipur di oina 97.63 yung na pass tawi yakwa pass tawi sang se hadakti si matung lo wer kadaw mandi akan kupangna pass tawre kamai tawre do kan ko lai ya har pai taranga je pass pantai ko de tawre phelo base phelo do khol ga de ko phelo base mi chamri phara phelo do pass ya tawre simalai anyway akoi gi moina nakal amani hoti silai ba maitam gi o natagana ego da 𝗏𝗏 school kuman gida topper weri ba mayam si akoi CBSE na lobani na school galaxy akoi manipur gi oina topper ai tare ke topper si kana na oige se ko bodi ngamde ngamde bodi mara pataka exam ai do pani adu ga den ma ka dilo ko to lagi akoi da yeng bada akoi gi school gi topper da ma amu ko herba ani ko herba ana ama yawi ngai rei me yawi madu akoi sida ning challe ko matai madu gi da ai mayam ba ji ho ko ba ko ni je mathang ta kada 𝗏𝗏 school se bayam na adum pam no ma pham ma oi pam na si aha ba pai pa ba pham se kala wa ya ka ko man si oe ko mai kam ko salwa ji ka ya ki mai kam ko salwa se apu ma kai thang da ya ka da le sma ka challe ko ado mai kam su aphaba school ama oe ra bani ko handa ki exam ki se da adum khange manipur gi topper ma oe da su class 10 da wangi ba second topper hai kare state ki oina yenga di aduga akoi 𝗏𝗏 school gi oina kari akoi school gi topper se magam phangi 98.4 phangi angang se ko ado 98.4 phang ba se yamna tang ba kano ni aduga akoi 𝗏𝗏 gi kuare da su ahan bani habi ya ai su kutel da ai da so file ko da subject correction ni 98.4 phangi yang wangi aro sebaik tu kena ngasai ki 90 ki abot ta phang basi 20 ki math ya we na ngasai ai di ko su ko aduna akoi ki school se 𝗏𝗏 school se manipur da laiba CBSE na logo bu oiro bosem na logo bu ore oiro bosem na logo bu oiro exam sin da o da kena manipur da nga ki makhar salai bu oiro school mayam bi ngok ba school amani se ai mayam injegi masih kudam se nasi sedida koina felicitate togna mayam kun tholi bangan mayam di angai go mak mayam jing se masih na kudam sang ma mo oire aduna akoina anang kayam kanai to semi then ade kanai to guna mo thawai happy then kunai si achang bani ma mo oina gona da kayam no wa to gona ge hai se mama mapa o sing na khibi na ngani na khi aduna hojiti kanai to re angang sing si class 12 yo rabani na 12 yo kan site kedore angang sing sigi magi pursigi magi pandam bayam lai do phangna ba kita bakta to khai balan di desa nagadi karena engineer pa magene engineer sakini then medical pa magene medical line sakini then general line pa magene general line ta leho gani adagi then swai da tampan ngai te har na pan tam yar ka su si patio gadi pa ma da kulun chatai ko subject sama na bani na CBSE o bani na mo ne deli ni tambada waro ko su ko mayam ma le ado asuga na akoi ngasi gisde da nungai ba numisida aina haja ni ba makar angang singi kursi adu angang singi aning ba apa ba se mama mapa na nang fu da pusan bigano angang singi apa ba mana kari lain sa ni no mana pa mi sit kari no pa mi ko to sum nagi pa ba ha po na malay ko adu ka den mangon da yaw ba magi matik mayai ko na pitor ko matik mayai du ka chasun na rice ju susan na rice ju yengam change ba ko ako khani mioi kunbaksina IS oiningi IPS oiningi adu IS oina ba masak yaw no mayam ma yaw da nati ko doktor oiningi masak oina ba masak yaw no ngang mayam ma le ka nati adu then culture to besu kai de culture kita sana khona ba changi su kai de ko masaki magi changi ba na su le ba talent sing do adu kudok ko cha mane ko kudok da pandu ko man do le ba ko to bisi sana ba pa ma ngang na sana ba ta pandu lo ba kai no olympic ta medal loba gold loba lore IS to heli ne ko IPS to heli ne ko magi pulsa ru ne ko na then culture do where so ngari samari then life do where so ngari samari medical term ge haran medical ki line ta ko ne ko ta adu ni ko ta ko na need happy ni ko adu da aina mayam da hainu ba khak lei class 12 pass to ba mayo sing college ka do ni college ka do ni ko college si mayam na khapire manipur da college jam lei college da DM college lei manipur college lei then quarantine college ada jam lei gamen ki mayam lei ko ada ki then private college su lei da nati ai college lei ko ado ko gi sridalai si यूनाको su college ma hanaga le ado akoi college se aksida aina ha pa ko am tani koi hayu du se medical tamba anam sin se handak ko gi nit tharo me am yawi koi sa ka me am khala ko su yai ko maram di koi nit ki keno se class se padina to banina aduna moida kari bu ba khala ko me khala padani se sahi mangal ga thambaya di anam sin pedam me sahi mangal u da bani aduga thare ko khudma sin je loi khanne ko le te ko aduna akhan ba kan khangre khanda ba ngai di police kan da tai ko kan da tai mu se ke dore ka wai tam do no ma thum ba tai adu akoi na masigi ye kan da yunaco police ka ri ko min san ba tare ga di masagi mayam na nan ko medical ka ba ngai di ko ai ko ta pi do se ai do se mun ta bi nit ai subject se machine se akoina integrated course hoina graduation su hakane habadi hasya man tamme hasya do lorakanda ai kadaba nit exam tharaga doctor tamme nu ka ba lauge tu kai de ko adu la ta ko haina ko kadaba ko ye hakane subject in hakane hakin de ko anda sai ga ko ni ko aduna yunaco college yunaco na to ke thawin ma thawta mamda lekti me am kami ngani ngami aduna angang shabar sudan akoi da thana biduna mama mapa wa mayam na masa sin akoi da silabi ni ko aduna college su adum apo college ni gamen college ni kesu ta college school de ko college ni hoja ko mayam lei then akoi di infrastructure ma chana adum lei then adu sudatuna masagi school authority college authority se ya strong ko e ba ko da ko kamai chalai ga de sabi khang le aduna nang mangoi se kan tamamba dum kai je na ai swai ka aduna atai medical ta bangba nang medical bilang sa sa kisan ka swai je nang bor jesu then ngamau to ba ya ma gi lagu na tam bahayom lagi ni lagu na tam da bahayom lagi ni lagu na tam da to di mang ya da bani na graduation tam ta bani ko da na ato practical line tam ta bani thi ba ta bani ko aduna siki kan hum se angang sim se sida ferang khusau na handana moina kari pa mino moina karba lai da sanin ge de amang pa ya mun na counseling pi da ko counseling pi ka da singba lai da salaga anang gi tungi ho da thani se ko khandu de ko ado aina mayam da hajin gam khak de aina hajin ko se te ka ba ai ko gi civil service se masida sang na ba gi da makta ai ko na anang sim se apa ba be ya ka sa quran ba khabra ni khali india gi unati mayam khabir mai preparation logba ko ye kano se civil service ki examination se na to lai de ko masi torga IS ko hina ba IPS ko hina ba then forest service ko wera su financial service ko wera su foreign service ko wera su masi ni ko se angang mayam simo ko ye le kai natraga di ko se ke dore india da ka de bu kwai ni so thaba state ko ye kai tong je ko moina thang ba ko mayam se masida ko se adum thang ga le la le ni khang ba moina thang marina thang ba ni matu na chatta ya ro ko le ko aduna ko ye hore ga nang sin sina IS ko tarba IPS ko tarba oi tar ga di dore india ki ko thang ba to ko yo ka ni moina ka ma ko mi ho na sa ko ye ko aduna manipur se ko ni lambi ani khat lei Malaysia, katakanlah India ke niam na ikai pun utke hai tar ke di hai tar ke di amana sports aduga then amana civil service examination da masih yang na yauraga India ki lengak se ye yakin seru se ko na pai na ko na se e na ko ta ra na kan aduna mama pas na sini ba su kara mien thambiu anang kai da motivational speech mayam pibiraga achangba angang mayam yawribani akhoi su angang mayam yawrine ko aduna moise sungba line da chansi hojikti line ba masasu adum lai adum phai ina masasu adum phai adum ta yawde anda kanogi question lo sinsi adum line lai masa mayam awak thakka dum pass to ko yang mau question le sur ayam ban mo le ko ado ina masasu dum honare hojikti line masasu aduna honare competition wang khale aro boga ai hum khajani akhogi UNACO की कल्चर अमखते कल्चर से कई बार करना सुनबया एग्जाम का सुनबया अब हद से एग्जाम का सुनबया वही कल्चर से कनागुम बखरना थुगाई हद से को कनागुम बखरना थुगाई की थुगाई तो मुसुम पांच नंबर में रंबिया को अदो मदो अबदी कोई गेम को भगो कोई गे अदो ना नांगा कदोरे हिदान नबा कक इनना ममोतगी हेगे ना खल्लगा लाइक पा मयाम नांग मयाम मा नुआई हिदे मोई थमोई दो वाहले को मदुई फोटो में नुआई के अदुगा सुगुम बददी कदोरे माना सिल्लगा पास तोगी नंजु सिल्लगा पास तो हाई बिया के को मदु कदोरे अवांग मा थाकर माई तमा का दबी मदु लंबा यारते को लंबा यारोय हेय को सिल्लगा पास को मयाम दो को केलौनी हेय को ममानबगा सयें थैना पाबों nganrak matamda pumun tudule ko aduna masagi ankyang sinadaba akoi exam system amakhatse akoi mathau tai aduna angang mayam sembada mama mapa singna oja singa school authority ga punna somnaraga nahangoi pin to kodo makhata na community aduga aroi badaina mai palakpa den madam sampa kusan lebakpa lepa ngamodaba lepna bo hona bilba mayam singse mase amkana ai side gi then school gi authority gi side gi UNACO gi side gi thagat pongbokse
Thank you very much, sir. After this, I would like to request 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗓, Principal, 𝗩𝗏𝗡 Residential School, to please share some words.
So good evening everyone present here. Honorable members on the dais, Sri 𝗙𝗏𝗡𝗟𝗏𝗖𝗓, CMD UNACO Schools, 𝗪𝗏𝗡𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗓, 𝗙𝗏𝗡𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏, Sarsamshan, DGM UNACO Schools, Principal in charge, Madam 𝗪𝗏𝗡𝗧𝗏𝗧𝗏, Principal of the school, that is UNACO School Common, Madam Gitarani, Sir Devdatta, and the Sanskrit is there. My dear beloved students and the parents, I'm just remembering one word, a beautiful quote of 𝗙𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗧. Winners don't do different things, they do the things differently. So my dear beloved students, you make yourself different from others by doing things differently. You work hard and
Sri 𝗙𝗏𝗡𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏 to please share his thoughts. So I would like to request our chairman, Sri 𝗙𝗏𝗡𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏, to please share his thoughts.
Good evening. Into this felicitation program for our students who pass out from class 10 and 12 from the UNACO School Kongman. On the dais, our DGM Samsan and the Principal Helen Thoy and Odasu Sandra and our 𝗙𝗏𝗡𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏, Tamu Hemanta, and all the respected parents, teachers, particularly what Oda said also. It is a very, very important function for our school, and also it is a very, very memorable moment for our outgoing students and the very proud parents. Once again, thank you very much for coming here. So, from I have, it is today in the UNACO school yesterday is really challenging. Akoi ngarang si yang waba oire numitsi kari gino hai gadi council gi class 12 ki parikha haido kanin plan tor adu goktang plan tor ga leibani akoi je council gi haido re mathang pass tor hore adu da mu CBSE class 10 gi jung haido salpa 12 gi jung haido salpa adu ki bati akoi da school ahum si gi mayam si manage tor parikha haido no yam waba hai batare adu ga akoi gi satra mayam gi achievement jo akoi na parents in khangan ningba satra in khangan ningba aduna mayam ge report si compile torga advertise tawno publication tawno hono jo koi nungdang gi pung 3 9 tai ngarang che adu UNACO school ke tani ngarang ge whole achievement si koi na publish taw ngam se yang wai akoi gi entire management da su adu mathakta amok akoi gi school ahum ji bunjal laga class 10 amadi 12 thariba ngang ji more than 800 student ne 800 student ji Manipur da total 10 amadi 12 thariba satra ji almost 1% hen akoi da tharabani school yam yamba satra yam yamba adu mathakta CBSE state board pula pun banina adu matik challenging oiba oi adu ga amuk akoi ngrang khana basi akoi sigumba felicitation function sigumba angang ji bu satra su appreciate tawba parent ga nungai phudu function ji mamang ngai da di akoi suti thaba yeng ga numini humni lerga tawbuni adu handakti hekta nungalaga tawruse na koi lemnai maram de kari gino ha ga di class 10 amadi 12 pass tawraba khoi gi satra sing se icha sing se mai magi kari gum matam da Manipuri khoi school sum tambas yawi atuba school tam gi yawi ade khara mana Manipuri mapan satlaga larik tam gi yawi atuba state ta mingchan gi laik tam gi masi khara kui dharaga di moje parikha thok ngai ri ne ba parikha hai thok lo di moje sat khi dora bane ba adu makhoi chakra kan da akoi ne felicitate tawba makhoi leiram da ba guardian gatang lak phuji am nungai te na hadak ti hekta ngang me am chatringe da loiraga tawru se ngrang le na bane adu tawna hona da khoi management da awa mayam lei challenges mayam lei challenges awa leirga su awa ba leirga su principal administrator officer mayam waraga su ngasi lakpiri ba khoi gi chhatra sing akoi gi maru na layo paro parents sing mayam du ubuda akoi da hona jaba awa puna mok thoi kawe hana khoi thamjage akoi program sing asiga anek su program ne khoi tawsi mamang da khoi ngasai pung 13 dagi akoi Maitram school da Chanura ga Maitram ga program pang thokre sumaina yamba akoi chhatra madi parent ne pang thokre sina ani suba program ninga sigi da adu ai si ngarang si khoi financial services thaba ama leiduna Guwahati da chatpani Guwahati da ji numit mani ngani leirake tawbani adu akoi gi chhatra mayam ni parikha hai thok ko ji da khudak da hai thok thalakpani na adu felicitation tawbo je ai samang yawning ba marona akoi chhatra jing ji unaning ba ji Ayush Mishra hoi Mamta hoi ji class 12 pass tawrani ha this may be the last in your days in UNACO school. Just I want to meet you. That's why I come in the first morning from Guwahati today itself to attend this program. Adu khudak ta si program se yauge na ilakuni adu ngarang ju si areas to bulu ibada sigi function sigi plan to bulu to no hona bada adum pung 13 12 tarabane ngasi ngata hogalaga first flight ta pung 3 minute nefu gi flight thongna hona bada ithununga ni tumaktre aduna horen noi mayam chi loina program chi lora kan da cha thong lora kan da ji pothaba yarane na khale but this is a war suwana yamna akoi punsi da memorable oiba exciting oiba nungai ba moment amane lojage adu ngasi akoi da sigumba nungai phongdo ko phangjari basi maruina Manipur gi chahi ma chungna wagra ba tangdu lai ta dra ba me ge um dei to ki ba irang si da khoi mayam ji habong to wong da loi wana ra bani awa ba marak si da akoi gi satra singna our student may amna automatic remarkable achievement for a project masi ai yam chawthok chai masi gi damakta masi credit se akoi chhatra sing maroina parents sing amadi oja sing amadi entire school authority da ya masi bijage man the number 1 credit goes to the students without your hard work without your study whatever thousands of guided by the teachers and the parents will not help anything aduna isana pamna thawai yauna lairik padragadi ojana phanayam taasu parent phanayam honarasu tuition phanayam thillasu aphoi school tamalasu yaroy aduna nakhoi gi honajaba lo ngasi di mai charabani adu masina aroi banate tungda lakhado mayam su masina ahu khongkhang ni makhata na honagina ba akhoi gi saitagi ashirwad bijari amadi madugi honanaba nakhoi da aina advice tawri sima adagi huji akhoi gi oda susan da ngangam bada ko principal lo yam maru ga point ka thamana akhogi angang sing asi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯏꯚꯥꯂꯨꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯊꯥꯎꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ 6, 7, 9, 10 ꯐꯥꯎ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯇꯣ ꯔꯤꯏꯚꯥꯂꯨꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯅ ꯊꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗꯨꯗ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯟꯁꯥꯔ ꯁꯤꯠꯇꯣ ꯖꯦꯔꯣꯛꯁ ꯀꯣꯄꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯄꯤꯌꯣꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯎꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯔꯤꯏꯚꯥꯂꯨꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯣꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯑꯟꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯉ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯆꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯇꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ 7, 9, 10 ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯅ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯊꯃꯦꯇꯤꯛꯁꯇ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯇ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯏꯔꯤꯗꯨꯒ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯇꯨꯒ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯖ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯦꯛ interest to recheck whatever any doubt in the score received by your son or your children apply for re-examination. We will give a very simplified circular from our side and the school is 24 hours ready to help our students. अखोई छात्र सिंह मतेंग पांगना अखोई हेल्प तौदन रेडी तौरे अदुना अखोई प्रिंसिपल सूचना ngang मदो अचम ममोम सर्कुलर म थोलागे सुमाने अप्लाई तौगदबनेना अहामद मार्क अप्लाई तौबिरो अदु मथंगा आई इसागी जेरोक्स कॉपी मसी थमजल बियो जगाने को पेरेंट्स सिंगना मागी क्लास 10 अमनि 12 थागिबगी आंसर्स की जेरोक्स कॉपी से मागी पुलसीगी प्रॉपर्टी हो जाओजनोबा मसी जेरोक्स कॉपी सी तौना होन लुपा 2 गुम चंगमने 2 दा चंबजेक रो चंगमनि सब्जेक्ट अमदा मधु थिदोपीरो अदुगा इसागी जेरोक्स कॉपी आंसर सिकी जेरोक्स कॉपी दो लोबियो अदुदा पेंदबा लेरगदी सोयदना री-इवैल्यूएशन तौबियोना ममांगदा यावग्रे आंसर दि खुमगा मार्क पिरमद्रबा ओजाना चुम्मी जो हरमद्रबा लाली जो हरमद्रबा अदु री-इवैल्यूएशन तौबदा मार्क हिंगले अदु याम तोइन थोपना टोटल तौबदा लानबा चिथाबा चिथाबदि मार्क 8 9 10 हिंगपा कोई छात्र मयाम फंगबा यावग्रे अदुना हुजि 90 फंगी 95 92 93 फंगबा याबा चांस ले अदुना अदगी आइगी इचासे 90 यहुदेना पेंद्रिदो मधु अमुक्ता पेरेंट तौरग होनबियो हुजि चिंगनाबा मार्क नेमा सब्जेक्ट तो मधु आंसर से लोथोक्सी री-इवैल्यूएशन तौहनसी सोयदनमकी ऑलमोस्ट सक्सेस रेट से मसवाई तौबसे तुम 30%, 20%, 40% दी मार्क से हेंगले कोई हेंगलप थेंगने अखोई एक्सपीरियंस को कोई अनाइजरी बसे ममांग कोई री-इवैल्यूएशन तौब यावगे अदन प्लीज माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड द रेस्पेक्टेड पेरेंट्स you have any doubt in the score of your children, apply for re-examination, re-evaluation, and take the answer sheet from the CBSE. They give a limited window. Matam khara pi side apply to ona adu hayeng mak khoi ngasi mak circular ma thoge parenting da ko share tau jarage kamai apply to gode kamai to gode gena edi khang da yauraga koi oja ching da tana biro principal tana biro adu apply to si icha ching gi phangum thoku aseng ma mark to phangjano CBSE na soiramba mark chitar mokolam do madu rectify tawraga isagi damakta parent na chahi 10 bangna try thoi chang honaraga la bani honaba warasu wana isagi mark ta singnaba suspect lai bado madu amukta re-evaluation tawbugi tawbiyu haiba je ai amukta parent sing da request tawjari ko masi bayam yabi ko amukta singnaba yaw ko de amukta yam thonong te apply tawsi. This is my appeal to the parents. Shima, please re-examine any doubtful subjects if you does not believe in the score. Adumana hengala posi am yawi sima adaga akhoi na ngahangai akhoi chatra singda noi di khangani akhoi oja singna ngangba chaiba thina ngangba uniform setabi chaiba school kar oina kauba parikha ga mang phangde na ngangba lairik pa de na ngang mayam do madu ngangiba mayam chairiba mayam do ngasi afaba ngasi numisda afaba result am lakna bani ase na khoi khangu sawhonu ओजा सिंह साउनिंग स्कूल साउनिंग लेरसु ngasi काउ थो सिन दा हाइनिंग इसे यारे को सिमा अदगी ममांगदा अखोगी कांगलुक इरांग मरम होइदना कर्फ्यू तौसनगिबा बन तौसनगिबा इंटरनेट सु थिंगनगिबा अदुना क्लास तौबा यागिदबा अदुई मतमदुदा अखोगी ओजा मयामना उपाय लेतदना अखोगी करी हाइदरे अखोगी आंसर सिसी लाइरिक ताकसु यादरे ऑनलाइन नेट सु हांगद्रबनिना आंसर से अखोइना क्वेश्चन जी ओजा सिन क्वेश्चन सा सेमगा जेरोक्स तौरगा अखोइ छात्र के बेंग थिनगिबा बन मरकता ब्लॉकेट मत कर्फ्यू मरकता थिनगिबा नखोइना पागिबदो मधुगी पागिबा मयामदुना ngasi sigi ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 30ꯅꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯡꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯅꯤ more than 2-3 months we lost in the academic study due to the ongoing crisis in Manipur. Manipuri crisis maram oidana tha amani di lairik se tamboi tawgrabne go jase adu oiragasu akhoina ojasing na hona jagiba ajasi pu yen mani khangde joro so bithima hona ba adagi parent mang support akhoi satra mang thwa yaubadagi akhoi ngasidi yamna impressive oiba chokthok saninga oiba yamna successful result am phange masi damakta akhoi punamak celebrate tawina jena kobuni ade mamang de kariguma tan akhoi sunday da su class to yaugi करीगनो छुट्टी थामनना कोई उपाय लेतेदना सिलेबस कवर तोब नंगरोय मरुन प्रैक्टिकल तोब नंगरोय न कोई संडे क्लास तोगी बने आई अखोय ममांग चेयरमैन क्लब आइनम सेमी दिस ममता राजकुमार राजपुर एंड आयुष आर द मेंबर्स ऑफ चेयरमैन क्लब ऑल द टैलेंटेड स्टूडेंट सेमी चेयरमैन क्लब आइना चेयरमैन क्लब से अखोय कौरगा मीटिंग तौरगा छात्र सिंग तातुक ताजन तने अवारपा प्रॉब्लम करिनो सॉल्यूशन करिनो नोगी इशू करिनो न कोई याम कन ताने मधु ताना बदगी सारा कोई से प्रैक्टिकल करे हेंगा भी योगे प्रैक्टिकल से नंगो ड्राइव से यावी सारा कोई इंग्लिश से याम लौर से मसी हंदबिरो अदु केमिस्ट्री गुंबा फिजिक्स गुंबा मैथ्स गुंबा दा पेरो हेंगा भी याव आई यावी मधु मतु इन कोई रूटीन जे मु सेमदो के इन आफ्टर टेकिंग द फीडबैक सजेशन फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स वी चेंज आवर रूटीन सेमदो के कोई अदे प्रैक्टिकल जी अखोय हफ्ता अमदा अमुक थनमदु अनि थमो अहुम थमो न कोई चेंज तो के प्रैक्टिकल नंगना होनाबदा अदुगु म होनगिउ मयाम दो अदुगी महै निंगसी खुंगसी अखोयना महै सारिबा छात्र मयाम लोइना 100% पास तौरे पास मार्क वांग तौरे पोजीशन मयाम यावरे दिस इज द अचीवमेंट फॉर होल आवर कलेक्टिव इफोर्ट एंड हार्ड वर्क अयाक मसी थमजगे याम वागी ममांगी चाहिदो हाइनिंगाई लेतन वागी हाइबा कानते मेगी हुमदे होगे इरांगदुना स्कूल जी कमायना चलाइगदगे जे कोई अवाब ओइखे अद मणिपुर लेब छात्र खरसु चटखिबा यावी कइनोदा मोइने लेरिबा फियमसिदा मसासिंग लाइक तमनिंगदगे मदु खोइ लोइना खंगे हाइरि मतमदुदा आई इसामकसे हानदि फाइनेंशियल सर्विस लेबनी अदुगा कंस्ट्रक्शन तौबनी दु स्कूल जी डायरेक्ट डे टू रन तौदबनी अदु मेगी अहुमदई थोलकु इरांग गुना मरम मोइदना आई सामक मे थादगी हौरगा जून जुलाई अगस्त अप टू परीक्षा अंगांग परीक्षा थाद्रिबा मार्च ताबसे डे टू डे स्कूल रन तौबसे आई इसामकना रन तौबनी मयाम खंगबिरबो यावगनी खंगबिरबो यावगनी अदु अयाम पेरेंट खंगदगु मसिदे हाइदोकजरगे ख्वाइदगी पुंसीदा ख्वाइदगी चैलेंजिंग ओइबा मतमजे अखोय ममांगी कम्युनल क्लास थोक्तन इरांग थोक मतमदो ओइखे मदुदा स्कूल चलाइबदा अदुगे मते वागी वाबा मतमदुदा थादोकपुदी यादमना हुदोकपा यादमना आई इसामकसे एवरी डे नुमित खुदिंगी स्कूल जी रन तौबदा यावी प्रिंसिपल जिंग एओ जिंग ओजा जिंग कौर मीटिंग तवी अदु कमाइन स्कूल चलाइगदगे जे मसी सही 2011 दगी स्कूल जी लिंखतपनी लिंखलगे जु ngahangai de akhoi gi administrator na principal na director na स्कूल जी रन तो बने आई दी chairman ni ai nu day to run तो यावते only hadagi chahi isi gatane ba isa na run तो rise adugi matik challenging oi badagi adu ai na yaw bi bakhra to ai ngasi di mahai phange na khali ngasi akhoi mamang chahi gi jengna bada khwai wang bai achievement record mayam hadagi chahi to phange irang mar sa crisis mar sa aduna akhoi gi chhatra jing di ate ate center gi yam khenai yam section ba अखोई सेंटर दे अदुम केंद्र विद्यालय तो लंफेन चही 10 हेन तारबनिना मयाम अदुम खंगनरबनी यूनाको सेंटर दे लंफेन ताबने अदु मरसुदा अखोई छात्र सिंग याम मार्क वांगना फजना फंगपजे अखोई होनखि मयाम दो आई मही चारे माई पाइन खले अदु यामना मणिपुर इरांग थोक्रबा था अनियुम लाइरिक तमहोद्रो मतमदुदा अखोई छात्र सिंग याम वांगना एचिव तौबा मार्क फंगबन अखोई मयाम माई पापसे दिस इज द आवर अचीवमेंट सही मचुना वागी बदो अदु ngasi आई मही चारे न खली अदु ngahangei तौनदब मयाम अखोई तौग्रबनी अखोई ममांग चही दुदा अखोई चेयरमैन क्लब सेम ममांग चही आहान बनी सात टॉपर मयाम कौरा इन इंटरेक्शन तौरबनी ओजा मयाम कौरगा इंटरेक्शन तौरबनी कमाई तौसिगेन अदुदई हेंगलक्तना अखोई निट की छात्र मयाम जी कौरगा इंटरेक्शन तौदि प्रॉब्लम कई ले इशू कई ले हायो अखोई जाना अदई ngahangei तौरंद अखोई ओजा मयाम की फीडबैक टीचर फीडबैक लोखलाबनी See, this is the first time in UNACO school history. Teacher मैम की छात्र दे feedback लोकल अपनी ओजा मैम जी plus minus आप फटे कहीं नो हाई और अदे home visit सी अनिदक थारा बने चाहिए अमुक्ते हेंड डॉक्टर ना अदु मैम मत तो गुरे है करे अदु तो ये हेंड डॉक्टर ना कोई study plan. You maybe remember every student we develop a study plan for each and every student. अहमद टॉपर मैम सेमली अदे छात्र को दिमो study plan हम सेमो study plan तो मतुम लाइक पावन अदु ओजा सिंग ना study plan तो monitor तो होता बने We implement lots of innovative approach methods and the techniques so that our students get more chances of success. We do lots of things in the last year so that we have a good result today. Aduna, still we have a very strong management team. I think the team will continue to run the school again. Adu mamang sahiga maina ai numi khudingi sinbadudi handakti ngamgudra ngamodra khangdre adu mamang sahidadi noi yam phajana tawgrabani. I also myself involved for the first time in my life running the school from every day for the last year. And the achievement we saw today, it is a great exciting for myself also as a founder of the school. So once again, thank you the Maida students and the parents and the teachers for this remarkable achievement. Adu aina puthomba method technique study mayam do soidramagi makata na continue tawgani school ji hena fagalakani hena aina khali adu loinana ngasi akoina nakoida tambigiba the Junaku school has 3 principles, 3 foundations or 3 pillars for our school. As a school, our priority is academic. So we have first is our academia and health and the discipline. Even if you are good in academics, without your health, you cannot be success in your life. Have the lyric chang patragati aina tawning ba punsida tawbanga moy mai paoy adu madakta lyric su phai oy chang patragati lyric pabanga moy ahum subada lyric su heraba hakchang ju faraba discipline thapsi kasi wangang sanga lonchet amadi leibak si sanariba lo mayam ji bebhar tawdraba khangdraba adugumba midudi afaba oiroy aduna ahumakse thanaba yade lyric haiba hakchang phaba discipline ahumakse thanaba yade na koida takibaduni hariba je na koigi punsida kaudram hono adum sino na koina soidramaki nomudi lyric tam lorakan na koiju mi oidana thabak tarokini job ta lakini employee orakini either government employee private employee na tagar na sana thabak entrepreneur lakwe lakni mama laksanu adu madam da nang to thabak da thawai hakchang yauna sincerely honestly you should do your duty and work sincerely when you do the work pukchen sengna thawai hakchang yauna thabak tawraba adagi hakchang phana ana yauna leiraba amadi thaksi kasi discipline nga aba amadi channa patha lamdam sigi leibak si sanai lo mayam singa aba adu sungsoi soidra nang apo mi mo oigane apo citizen mo oigane sigi da makta ne ba kone school linkali ba apo thau tawna ba ne. So the priority is academia, health and discipline. After academics you should concentrate on work. When you are in the working or you are a professional, it is equally important health and discipline. Without this you cannot be a good citizen of the country. Sima hainangi sini aduga ngasigi loisalakpada ngasigi program si akoi yam thuna sinbo oibanana today's program it is managed in a just like emergency situation, war like situation. So there may be some loopholes, there may be some mistakes, or there may be some say shortcomings in organizing today's program. But I am very excited today. Almost all the parents are coming today. Today is not a holiday. Today is a working day. Including our professor is also coming from our 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗖𝗓𝗏 Manipur, the father of our Ayush. So earlier we do this type of program only in the Sunday, waiting for holiday. But in this year we will do just next day after the inauguration declaration result, we will celebrate this program. Because after the declaration of the result, some of the students goes outside to study, which we miss always to felicitate them. Hek parikha hai to tahodragadi chuti ngairagadi parikha hai to paga hayang chite moi changi harga tige ka ne hayang chi changna ring mapan da dini da kai like kam changi ba ngang am yaw ne ba telen to ba makoi me am je sar ai keno da icha do di mapan chakre akoi la en mapa ma he la en mado ko yam nungai ta ba angang do phadana mark phangaga pastor ka mai pa ka kan da angang do una ho do ko yam nungai te aduna hada te hek da parikha loi ba nunga lage ke tawro se na tawro me ja se atai ke te gina te ko akoi una ning ba. We want to meet our successful students. That is why we immediately organize this program just one day after the declaration of the results. So organizing this program, very big program, more than 1,000 people gathering in the short, less than 12 hours. It is very, very, very challenging for the management, particularly teachers and the school team. That is why we have declared holiday for the class 9, 10, 11, 12 in the common and the Maytram school. Because if we have regular class, we cannot organize this. And particularly, those teachers who are teaching class 9, 10, 11, 12, these same teachers, they want to meet you. Ko, ngasi suti thari si kai gino gadi, noi ngangi like tapi ba oza class 9, 10, 11, 12 ta ko oza sing je mamta. Moi na noi si una ni nge ba. Noi na parikha mak wang phang kan ta noi ga utang una raga sa matang thang ina wari sa ba siam pa me ba. Oza sing jina. Ado oza sing class to rodi file ta na ngasi suti tha do bani noi me am si una ba pam ba dagi. Ado na ngasi program si lo ra kan ta oza sing ka phajana sa thang ina ro. Maybe this may be the last day for after in Junako school. And this may be your last day wearing Junako uniform in your lifetime. It is a memorable day. Enjoy the moment. And today, our school topper in the Maitram 98.4 is our school topper. Maybe the second position in Manipur. Our first position is our coming here, say 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗖𝗓𝗓𝗏. He is 98.6. Our is 98.4. He has 1 mark higher than us. He is admitted in our Junako school, Khongman. So, Makoje, this student study from nursery in our Junako school, Khongman. After class 5, she shifted to Maitram. She spent almost 10 years, more than 12 years in our school. She is very talented now. Parents are also, we are also very happy. So, after passing class 12, so Mamta and Anuk, say Ayush and the others, this may be the last day you wear our uniform. That is why I tell the principal and the teachers to our students should come with our uniform. Because it is a very, very memorable day. Those who pass class 12, this is the last day to wear our Junako uniform. Some of the students are wearing this uniform for more than 14 years or 10 years. And it is a very, very memorable uniform. So, you always remember your uniform and the culture, tradition, and how we teach you. Our teachers are eagerly waiting you to meet you, to celebrate this day for the working for the whole year. That is why the basic purpose of organizing this program in a very short moment is only our teachers want to meet you. A very good farewell to you for your future. We want you to be a very, very success in your life. So after this program, we have a light refreshment and a tea party, which will talk, remember your life, both happy and the sorrow moments in the Junako school, and remember this moment. And those who want to continue, we are always welcome. So with these few words, once again, I welcome you. Some of your students, maybe the last day in Junako school today, bear with us. This is very, very moment in the very, very difficult and challenging history time in the Manipur due to our conflict. The Junako school worked very hard with all our teachers, our students, our parents, and we achieved a grand success. Thank you to all of you, the parents, students, and the school team. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful speech. Now, moving forward in here comes the moment we will be felicitating our achievers. And to do the honor of this, I would like to request the principal in charge of Junako School Chanura, Mrs. 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗖𝗓𝗓, to please do the honor of felicitating our students who have scored 79 and below. First of all, I'd like to call upon on stage 𝗙𝗵𝗀𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗍. So please welcome 𝗙𝗵𝗀𝗧𝗍𝗍𝗍 on stage. After that, 𝗙𝗵𝗀𝗧𝗍𝗍𝗍 to please come up on the stage. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause, everyone. And after this, 𝗙𝗵𝗀𝗧𝗍𝗍𝗍, please come up on the stage. These are our lovely students. And 𝗙𝗵𝗀𝗧𝗍𝗍𝗍. So please give a huge round of applause for our students. After this, I'd like to call upon 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗏𝗖𝗘𝗏𝗍𝒂 to please come upon the stage. After this, 𝗙𝗟𝗔𝗦𝗏𝗧𝗍𝗏𝗏 to please come upon the stage. After this, 𝗙𝗏𝒪𝒂𝒂𝒑𝒏𝒏. After this, I'd like to call upon Ahong Sangbam Star Son. Next, Devraj Hurailatpam. After this, Git Chandra Konsam to please come up on the stage. After this, I'd like to call upon Moru Borningham Monsang. Then, next I'd like to call upon on stage Thaudam Chitra Chanu. After this, I'll be calling Laishram Gagarin. Next, Paunam Joy Prakash Singh. After this, I'll like to call upon Chinglemba Aseng. After this, Mirai Mayum Sarif Odin. After this, I'd like to call upon stage Leisangthem Dayalaxmi. And I request everyone to please welcome our students with a huge round of applause. Koigi stage ta taleng kalaiba koigi students sing asibo puning thagat poina ahobo kuba kalona na tindi bayam na kuba ahobo kubiu. Thank you very much, ma'am, for doing the honor. After this, I'd like to request our expert teacher, Sri Chongtham Shred, to please come upon the stage and do the honor of felicitating our students. So now I'd like to call upon the stage Adhikari Mayum Asis Sarma to please come upon the stage. After this, Anisan Ningthemcha. After this, Mudasir Bogai to please come upon the stage. Next, Daina Thaudam. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause, our students. After this, Pamhaiba Thokchom. Next, Lanchenda Lamabam. After this, Hanjabam Sridhar. Next, Huining Subam Albert. Followed by Joyasri Ningombam. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause, everyone. After this, Silhaiba Amom and Ketrimium Roger Singh. Koi aho boku pa ko lena na koi lengka lagi ba satra sing si bopo ning thogat pina baning sing jari. Please give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you very much for doing the honor. Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honor of felicitating our students. Aduga marakatna koi ki parents sing na koi program se loi bhawa adum phapam langda lengbida na laibina bani singjari. After this, I'd like to request Sri Hemantakumar Ningombam, Chief Editor Sanaleba, to do the honor of giving felicitating our students. I'd like to call upon Thingojam Pali Kumar to please come on stage. Next, Longjam King Chan Singh, Malemras Angom. Next, Thoi Sri Atom. After that, Takhelambam Lanchenbi Chanu. Next, Athopam Peter. After that, Natasha Nepram. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause, everyone. After this, Ningthausam Anjali Devi. After this, it will be followed by Chelsea Doni Soram. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. After this, Nandebam Brainy Mete.
ahobo ko ba kaloy na mayam na taram no piyo ko gi itsasingbu. Next, Sanatombi Seram. After this, Jacob Salam. Next, Mangalay Bathongam. Koy lengka lang libay itsasingbu. Ahobo ko ba kaloy na puning thagat pinabaning singjeri. After this, Richa Panjabam. And after this, Ningthausam Risikanta Singh. So please give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Ako itsasingbu punin thogat poy na kubak lep na kubisi. After this, I'd like to call upon Molisina to please come on stage. Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honor. After this, I'd like to request the principal of UNACO Residential School, Sri P. 𝗙𝗏𝗔𝗧𝗜𝗍𝒂 to please felicitate our students. So I'd like to request Molisana to please come up on the stage. And Tingtham Bishal, Moirang Them Sherlock, Salai Ngakpa Salam, Fiona Laishram. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Leonardo Thaudam, Vilina Yenrembam, after Brilina Yenrembam, Suryanganba Wahengbam. So please welcome on stage and please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Nancy Pukrambam. After this, Okram Silpa, Sagol Sem Chitranjan, Laishram Rohan Singh. After this, Tristan Salam. After this, Salam Ras Lakshmi. Next, Sapam Bibu Singh. And after this, Ginchilung Gonmai. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause, everyone. Ako'y ahobo ko ba kaloy na ako'y leng kalay ba sa atas yung bupon ng thagat piyo? Please give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Kubak ahobo kaloy na ako'y itsasing bupon ng thagat piyo na ba ng singjeri? Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honor. After this, I'd like to request Sri 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗖𝗓𝗓, DGM UNACO School, to please do the honor of felicitating our students. I'd like to call upon him here, 𝗙𝗵𝗓𝗍𝒂 Sarma, to please come on stage. 𝗙𝗵𝗓𝗍𝒂 Shreya Sharma. After that, 𝗙𝗪𝗓𝒃 Dixon Singh. Next, 𝗪𝗵𝗲𝗓 Sanasam, to please come up on stage. 𝗪𝗓𝗲 Laishram. 𝗙𝗪𝗲𝗃 Priyanka Devi. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. After this, 𝗰𝗵𝗀𝗀 Selena. Please welcome on stage 𝗪𝗵𝗓𝒍𝒂 Sarma, 𝗙𝗪𝗓𝒃 Shreya Sharma, 𝗪𝗵𝗲𝗓 Sanasam, 𝗪𝗓𝗲 Laishram, 𝗙𝗪𝗲𝗃 Priyanka, 𝗰𝗵𝗀𝗀 Selena, Ophelia Ngangom, 𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗃𝗧𝗜𝗍𝒂, Rini Kaisam. After that, 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝒻 Tanupriya, 𝗙𝗨𝒻 Thensi Chanu. After that, 𝗪𝒻udra Horongbam, Jisan Yumnam, Rajkumar Uday, Sijagurumayam Satyam Sarma, Asika Saha, to please come up on the stage. So please give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Karigumba koigi satra na leng traga parents na leng po itar so parents na leng kat pirak na baning singjari. Koi lakho pada kokat ki pada leng taba lakti taba satra singdu parents ka gumba lakti ba tara badi leng kat pina baning singjari. So please give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honor of felicitating our students. After this, we will be felicitating our toppers who have scored more than 90 and above. And to do the honor of this, I would like to request our chairman, Sri 𝗙𝗪𝗏𝗃𝗖𝗓, to felicitate our students. They will be giving a bouquet, layyan, and a cash. First of all, we would like to call upon on stage Sunny Soibam. And I would like to request Sunny Soibam parents, Soibam Brajendra Singh and Soibam Rebecca Devi. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Sunny Soibam has scored 91%. I'd like to request the guardian of Sunny Soibam to please accompany with him. So please welcome on stage Sunny Soibam. A huge round of applause, everyone. And he had scored 91%. So they will be receiving a cash award of 5,000 rupees. Next, I would like to call upon the stage Mamta Kumari, daughter of 𝗙𝗵𝗱𝗱𝗏 and baby Devi. So please come upon stage of Mamta Kumari and their parents. And she had secured 91.8%. So please come upon stage. So she will be felicitated with a lanyard, bouquet and cash award of 5,000 rupees. Along with a memento. So please give them a huge round of applause. Mamta Kumari had secured 91.8%. Next, I would like to call upon on stage Dennis Thangjam, son of Thangjam Ghanasyam and Tokchom Minabai Devi. And he had secured 93.2%. Dennis Thangjam will be felicitated with a lanyard, memento, bouquet and cash award of 5,000 rupees. So please welcome them and give them a huge round of applause. And now, a moment, what we are waiting for, the topper. So now I'd like to welcome on stage Ayush Mishra, along with his parents, Mr. Ramesh Chandra Mishra and Mrs. Madhusmita Das. And he has secured 96.8%. So please welcome on stage Ayush Mishra. He has been a topper in class 10 as well of our school, and a topper again of this class 12. So please give him a huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you very much, sir, and thank you very much, the Dice member, for felicitating our toppers.
Next, we would like to facilitate Class 10 achievers of the AISSE examinations of 2023-2024. To do the honor for facilitations, I would like to request Principal in Charge, Madam Helen Troy. So these are the students who have scored up to 79% in AISSE. So the first students I would like to call upon on the stage, Lekha Bagri, please be on the stage. Ritesh Mutum.
Maratana ningsing jabo matang akhoi parents amadi students sing akhoi program si loigadaba mikop khara dangai re maram aduna nuksijarba satra sing amasung parents sing na program loi bhutang yobinaba usijala jeba ke de no request tawjari.
Next, Kongbailapan Tarbindra Sharma, please be on the stage. Next, Thimujan Justin Maite. Next, Mongjam Prasant Maite. Next, Priyanshu Saha. Next, Sobelina Purailapum, please be on the stage. Next, Thangjam Reswanath. Next, Anjua Motum, Anuja Motum. Next, Tongbram Johnson Mayday. Tawangbam Johnson Mayday. Next, Pranali Maibam. After this, 𝗙𝗵𝗲𝗱𝗏𝗃𝗧𝗠, Kevin Jimnam, Maibam Jerina Devi, Dupli Angom, Kalangbam Rohit Devi, Laishram Sujaganta Singh. Please give them a big round of applause, everyone. Next, Langamba Maitai Khaidem. Next, Aryan Kumar Pandey. Next, Thokyom Sejan Singh. Give them a big round of applause.
So please welcome our students with a huge round of applause, everyone. Aduga manakad na kogi liba parents na kogi program se lo butang na dinaba ni sinjari.
mayamna khoi satu singo pungin thogati boina ahubo khoba khurga pungin thogati na bani singjari. Everyone, please give them a big round of applause. Thank you, Madam Principals, for doing the honor. Next, I would like to request our Principal, 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗖𝗘 to be on the stage to do the honor for the facilitations. So next, I would like to call Hiainu Khondram, Achom Boris, Nikita Thiam, Lanchenbi Motum, Macintosh, Takhil Changbam, Nganthoi Laisham. Next, Nisizit Laisham. Welcome them, everyone, with a big round of applause. Next, Laisham Abhinash Singh, please be on the stage. Athoiba Mayang Langdam, Soya Sayai, Anamika Thogam, Sapam Johend, Nikita Dhar, Ahong Sam Khushbu Parikh, Ahong Sabam Samrik, Sograkam Liklai Laima, Ningombam Sneha Devi, Tom Cruz Khangembam, Gurumayum Tania Devi, Khwairakam Sotin Maitai, Laurendam Lindan Devi. Please be on the stage.
Mayam ahubo kuba mga luna na ako'y nusisaba mayroon siyang buwak pigani marat pa na nagsinjaba matang अखोई क्लास 11 की अमसुंग कॉलेज की हुजिक अखोई एडमिशन तौनबगिनो काउंटर हांगा थमजरी रूम नंबर 7 दा फॉर क्लास 11 रूम नंबर 8 दा कॉलेज की लेंबे पेरेंट्स अमसुंग छात्र सिंगा ngasi adum ming chanbibay kudong sawa do phambigani. Thank you.
Everyone, please give them a big round of applause to encourage our students. Mayam na ahobo kubak kubana ako'y kisata sing puning thokot pinabaling sing zari. Lakpiriba parents singna ako'y program asibu loijiba bo laibinawa ningsing sari ako'y program asi atuba matamda loiragani. Thank you, P. Surchandra Singh, Principal, UNACO Residential School, for doing the honor. Next, I would like to request 𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗓 Singh to do the honor. Sit-in editor 𝗙𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏 to do the honor of facilitation. Laisam Goody Devi, please be on the stage. Kumalambam Soni Singh, Asiska Yengkhom, Oinam Harbal Singh, Hanjandam Priscilla Devi, Atom Dilson Maytay, Naurem Jarnal Singh, Romita Laimayum, Hawaibam Bania, Pasaswati Mayum Prince Sharma. Please be on the stage. Everyone give them a big hand. Next, Mutum Singhay Maytay, Taruhenda Sograkpam, Rohan Ghosh, Orika Ningthogsam, Tantha Thaudam, Wangdam Thamarjit Singh, Pritika Salam, Kharibam Arya Singh, Wangambi Maibam, Wangambi Kangzam, Laimayum Christina Devi, please be on the stage. Welcome them everyone with a big round of applause.
Exhibit nasi bu ahobo kubak kaloina na tara nopi na ba nolong na request uzeri.
I request everyone to please give them a huge round of applause.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request N. Samson, DCM, Junako School, to do the honor. I would like to call on the stage Sanasan Talent Mangang, Tomthin Khoisnam, Kurajam Rakesh Maitei, Posangam Gravin Singh, Dia Zain, Rasri Khaidem, Arpita Lairen Laktam, Keis Sharma Aribam, Rohes Tonjam, Konthokjam Singthang Ngamba Singh, Konthokjam Singh Tamba Singh, please be on the stage. Naurem Payal Devi, Suranjit Puyam, Guru Aribam Binika Devi. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. Next, Chris Sabungbom, Nelson Thiam, Bishiras Kangzam, Linda Kumbong Mayum, Ketribayum Davis Singh, Prospero Thokchom, Yumnam Lalit Chandra Singh, Rajkumari Dunisri, Lanchambi Athokpam, Neolaya Sanabam, Sheikh Mohammed Jubai Iqbal, Laitan Them, Prithin Ngam,
Please welcome our students with a huge round of applause, everyone. Ahawba kubako lang na koigi chasing bo puning thawat pisi. Please welcome our students with a huge round of applause, everyone. Please give them a huge round of applause. khoi ahau bu kuba kolonena khoi cha sing bu pungning thabak pisi. Let's welcome our students with a huge round of applause. Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honor. After this, we have come to the moment in here to felicitate our toppers who have secured 90 and above. And to do the honor of this, I would like to request our chairman, Sri 𝗙𝗵𝗡𝗟𝗂𝗧𝗜𝗍, to felicitate our students. First of all, we'd like to call upon 𝗙𝗃𝗟𝗬𝗠𝗠𝗧𝗠, who have secured 90%. 𝗙𝗃𝗟𝗬𝗠𝗠𝗧's parents, 𝗙𝗃𝗃𝗟𝗬𝗠𝗠𝗧 and 𝗙𝗃𝗃𝗟𝗬𝗠𝗠𝗧. So please welcome on stage 𝗙𝗃𝗟𝗬𝗠𝗠𝗧. He will be receiving a lengyan along with a cash award of 5,000 rupees. Next, I would also like to request parents of 𝗙𝗃𝗟𝗬𝗠𝗠𝗧 and 𝗙𝗃𝗃𝗟𝗬𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗑𝗏 to please come up on the stage. 𝗙𝗃𝗟𝗬𝗠𝗠𝗧 parents yabirakpa tarabadi koi stage ta lengkhat piratuna koi 𝗙𝗬𝗠𝗠𝗧 gi nungairaba tanja sibu mikup amata saruk yabinaba ningsingjari. So please give a huge round of applause for 𝗙𝗃𝗟𝗬𝗠𝗠𝗧 along with his parents. A proud moment for 𝗙𝗃𝗟𝗬𝗠𝗠𝗧 and his parents. Next, I would like to call upon on stage Albert Athopam along with his parents Athopam Inausing and Kaisam Chitra Devi. He also has secured 90%. After this, I would like to call Nobel Sanasam along with his parents Mr. Ratan Kumar Sanasam and Mrs. Jyotimala Sanasam. He has secured 90.4%. So please give them a huge round of applause. After this, 𝗨𝗏𝗡𝗏 Ningthi Ləima, along with her parents, 𝗨𝗏𝗡𝗏 Deepak and Mrs. 𝗨𝗏𝗡𝗏 Purnimasi. She has secured 90.6%. Our toppers who have secured more than 90% will be receiving a cash award of 5,000 rupees. So please give them a huge round of applause, everyone. After this, Nancy Ningthojam, along with her parents, Mr. N. Ashok Singh and Mrs. N. Ranjoni Devi. She has secured 90.6%. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. After this, Jaya Kongrailatpam, along with her parents, Kongrailatpam Kumarjit Sharma and Khaidem Suchitra Chanu. She has secured 91%. After this, Mutum Catherine. So please welcome on stage Mutum Catherine along with her parents Mutum Ibochobo Singh and Pungbam Sintangambi Chanu. She had secured 91.2%. After this, Lukram Tenison Mangang. Along with his parents, Lukram Prem Chandra Mangang and Lukram Ongbi Premawati Devi. He had secured 91.4%. After this, I'd like to call upon on stage Anandita Sagolsem. Along with her parents, Mr. Premjit Sagolsem and Mrs. Geeta Rani. She has secured 91.4%. Anandita Sagolsem. After this, Nini Kangojam. Sorry. Changkhonbi Yambem along with her parents. Yambem Rosni Kumar Singh and Yambem Ongbi Lamabam Chanchal Chanu. She had secured 92.2%. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. After this, Khedalaima Kundrapam. Along with her parents, Kundrapam Kogindro Singh and Laishram Nirmita Devi. She had secured 92.6%. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. After this, Gurumayum Yaisna Sarma. Along with her parents, Gurumayum Bhagat Sarma and Gurumayum Ongbi Nirula Devi. She had secured 92.8%. After this, Chingsubam Dennis. Along with his parents, Chingsubam George and Chingsubam Bisoya Devi. He had secured 93.2%. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. And after this, 7-star Huidrom. Along with his parents, Huidrom Ramcharan Singh, Sridhani Vairopam, and he had secured 93.2%. After this, Tanisa Ahantem. Along with her parents, Montu Ahantem and Havam Devi. And she had secured 93.4%. After this, Hempoi Laurembam. Along with her parents, Laurembam Randhir Singh and Chanchal RK. She also secured 93.4%. And now to welcome on stage the topper of UNACO School Common for Class 10. I'd like to welcome in here Chongtham Silky Devi along with her parents Chongtham Susil Kumar and Chongtham Sunita Devi. She had secured 94.8%. She will be receiving a memento, lanyard, with a bouquet along with the CAS award of 5,000 rupees. So please give her a huge round of applause. Chongtham Silky Devi had secured the second portion of UNACO School Common. So please give her a huge round of applause, everyone. And last but not the least, I would like to call upon on stage our topper, 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗖𝗘𝗦𝗍𝗂, son of Mr. 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗖𝗘𝗦𝗍𝗂 and 𝗙𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗧𝗑𝗏. He had secured 96.2%. He will be receiving a lanyard, bouquet, a memento, and cash award of 5,000 rupees. And he is the first portion holder of our school. So please welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone. And after this, in our school, another topper has admitted, and I would like to request the topper of in here, Mr. 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗜𝗖𝗘𝗏, along with his parents, Mr. 𝗙𝗟𝗏𝗔𝗓𝒻, to please come up on the stage. We'll be felicitating our student. 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗏𝗔𝗓𝒻, the state topper, has already admitted our UNACO common. Ahobo kubakalon na taram no PC, 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗏𝗔𝗓𝒻, the state topper who has already admitted our school. Thank you very much, sir, and the dais member for doing the honor of felicitating our achievers. Managta na kinamalau tok sagi, koi counter number room number 7 dina koi class 11 ki admission chathajari, aduga room number 8 na college ki admission chathajari, koi parents sing na interested labor sing na koi room sing da changbi dina spot admission tawi bayabi gani. Now I'd like to request for vote of thanks Mrs. Rita Nancy, headmistress, to please come up on the stage and propose the vote of thanks.
A very good evening to one and all present here. Respected Chairman, esteemed dignitaries, honorable parents, and my dear students. It is with immense gratitude and pride that I stand before you today to extend my heartfelt thanks on behalf of UNACO School. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our esteemed chairman for his unwavering support, guidance, and vision that have propelled our school to greater heights of our students. To the distinguished dignitaries, your presence today not only honors us but also serves us as a source of inspiration for our students. To the parents gathered here, we thank you for entrusting us with their education and for being our partners in their growth. And finally, to our dear students, today is a moment of celebration, a testament to your hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Your outstanding academic achievements have not only brought glory to our school, but have also made us immensely proud. Each one of you has exemplified the truth and spirit of excellence, and your success is a reflection of your determination and resilience. I wish all of you the best luck in your future endeavors. Remember, the journey of learning never ends, and each day presents new opportunities for growth and discovery. May you continue to strive for excellence in all your endeavors, and may success follow you wherever you go. As we conclude this memorable event, I extend my sincere thanks to everyone present here today for gracing this occasion with your presence. Let us continue to work together towards a brighter future filled with endless possibilities. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for proposing the vote of thanks. And with this, we conclude our felicitation program for today. Thank you very much, my dear students. Thank you very much, my dear parents, for spending your time and making this program a successful one. And we'll take a moment to enjoy with our students, to have the refreshment with our teachers.